think our generation is just very unserious in general.
They can't take anything seriously ever.
So it's frustrating when you don't take anything seriously.
I think Ayana's been 18 for like 10 years now.
Are you 19 now?
No,
she turned 18.
Everyone else is born 2006. I'm 2007.
She's younger. You're a year older than all of us.
They're like, you're so old, you're gonna be 20 this year, buddy.
Turning 20 is a little scary. You're like entering the decade of
You're
your
turning
marriage.
20 like 10 days after me.
You won't need a fake ID anymore.
I think we've been using our fake ID since we were like
Yeah.
12 years old.
He held my collar. That's why I slapped him.
I was enjoying the fight so much. I was like, this is so cool. My driver comes, pulls me. He's like, police aane wala, jaldi car mein baitho. I was like, bhaiya, dekhne do. And he like, if you're not involved in it, just watch and enjoy. Men in Delhi
They
fight
do,
like
they
this.
do.
18-year-olds just trying to slap each other and no one is winning.
No, now that I'm in university, I find it so stupid.
But the thing is, guys can't just end it by talking. Like, they have to get violent.
We'll go slap each other, fight it out. Half an hour later, aur bata. Have you ever felt that you are being treated differently because you belong to a different gender
No,
or sexual orientation?
haven't.
Never.
No.
If you're sitting in a car and you look outside of the road, of course you can see it. But I feel like us and like everybody around us, like whoever we've interacted with hasn't gone through anything like that.
What do you mean by anything like that? Like, how do you...
The struggle.
Very honestly, I think most of the men in our generation lack severe manners and
She's right.
the equality, and we got the freedom and we got to do everything, but now we just get treated like shit.
Like, we are the girls, we don't know all of the things that you guys have, or
Say,
like your boys' group chat.
Yeah.
Memes and them shitting on me.
Priyanshu's covering up for the boys. Okay, now let's stop this feminism.
So how do you describe a
Someone who gets with multiple women.
Spelled as FUCKBOI.
It's also misspelled.
Is a guy who will tell a girl anything to get them to hook up with them. Don't with.
I feel like all fuckboys try to look like a
I remember like at one point it was the Balmain t-shirt.
A black or white t-shirt, which is the name of the logo.
Very happy I'm wearing a shirt today.
You're not in the category. Right now.
Where do good boys go?
Good boys and good girls will not be hooking up either.
Arey meri maa, to where do we find the good girls in mandirs?
A girl approached him and she was just trying to talk to him. I turn around and Priyanshu's gone. I'm getting spam calls that help me out,
I
help
was
me out,
scared
help me
because
out.
30 seconds and then I was like,
But how can you expect to find a good woman if you're only running away?
I held another friend's hand. I said, this is my girlfriend. I said, bye.
You stupid idiot.
Now she's probably not gonna go approach someone else.
I feel like the biggest trend right now amongst our generation is studying abroad.
Student circle also, they go abroad because they can't study in India. You can't get into university in India.
Going abroad is just like the easier way out.
And honestly, probably it would have been a better career decision for me to go to Ashoka. But I went abroad because I knew that I'd always feel like I'm missing out and I'm not with my crowd.
Try getting an admission in an IIT or like an LNU
Yeah,
or something.
definitely.
It's really
Yeah.
Very hard.
You need to be really hard working to study in this country.
Hi guys, I'm Ayana Kapoor. I'm 18, and if you think I'm cold, wait till you hear me trauma dump with perfect grammar.
Hi, I'm Priyanshu Sen. I'm 19 years old. I'm an old soul in a tall frame and everybody's go-to person for their problems.
Hi, my name is Manya Khosla. I'm 18 years old. I say what you're thinking, judge a little and overshed just enough to keep you hooked.
I'm Trisha Tandon, aka TT. I'm 18 years old. Quiet at first, chaos later. Trust me, it's never just one vibe. Hi, I'm Ananda Chopra. I'm 19 years old, loud, loving, and creative. I'm that friend that makes every day feel like a movie.
Why do you take so much time to come tell me that? You're 1 hour late, by the way.
Because Andy's mom got stuck in traffic and then the car didn't come and the driver was with her. So then we took a lot of time to come.
And you?
There's so much traffic. It usually takes me 10 minutes, so I thought that, and then I just...
Why do you sound so sad while saying that?
Because it was really painful.
There was traffic, but I'm gonna admit I took like 15 more minutes after that because I was like having an outfit crisis because everybody's like, oh, we're wearing this today, we're wearing that today, and then Ayana last minute changes her outfit and she's like, you have to dress casual. So like,
Yeah,
You
because I was
have to,
like
you
dressing
can't, like,
super formal.
wear a shirt to TT territory. You just can't do that.
No, I'm wearing one. But I wear that all the time.
Yeah, that's the thing. She doesn't know. This we all are
In your
supposed to wear
pajamas.
pajamas.
Dressed like this.
No, we're supposed
No,
to be
you come in pajamas.
We look homeless.
Not
That's the thing. Yeah, we do. Exactly.
Yeah, this
We
is
look very
dressy for
homely.
us.
we go to the mall homeless after
fine,
like
fair.
this.
This is like really overdressed for TT
This
Terrace.
is.
We would.
You all have
usually
your
be in, like,
bags and you
pajamas.
all are wearing
Yeah, jeans.
jeans
Not
and
at
what?
all.
She's not wearing jeans.
I'm wearing
wearing
pants.
jeans
though,
anywhere.
so-
Yeah.
I go everywhere like this. In Birkenstocks and cargo pants and a shirt. Everywhere.
A few moments later.
It was a wasp, guys. It's more terrifying.
Whatever it was scary.
I don't even
वो
know.
देखो कहाँ बैठा हुआ है.
I can see
No,
it.
now even I'm scared of wasps.
But
I
why
can't.
so scared?
I think we should talk about the car that day.
Which
What?
part?
The car.
Where
that
she
day.
saw the wasp in the car.
Oh shit.
She saw a tiny insect in the car. It was literally this small. I'm like, oh my god, Ayana, look, there's an insect in the car. She looks up. She starts yelling. We're stuck in like so much traffic. The driver's also confused. He's like, what am I supposed to do? We literally had to turn over, stop the car. Our friend of ours, he opened the car door. She has fallen out of the car on the road. It was like concerning.
A big insect, and it was flying in my face. And everyone knows how terrified I am.
Do you
I'm gonna
remember
fall out of
the
the
time
car.
when she started
When did
crying?
it start?
When in Darkshire she started crying when she
God.
saw the insect.
Oh god.
But it was dead. I was still crying because it was really big and scary.
It was already dead when you
Yeah,
saw
yeah, it was dead. Like when I reached there, it was already dead. But like the thought of it being alive, like made me cry. It was really massive with huge.
Okay, so as interesting as this insect conversation is, I would like to introduce all of us first of all. So welcome to the Secret Life of Teenagers, also known as Slot. I am Priyanshu Sen here, sitting with these four friends of mine. Ayana Kapoor, Manya Khosla, Twisha Tandon, we refer to as TT. And that's Ananda Lakshmi Chopra, and we refer to her as Andy. And we'll talk about, because I have all these four very interesting women here with me, we will talk about various things about related to women, Gen Z women in particular. And now that all of you are adults above the age of 18, you will tell me what it's like being in the real world as Gen Z women in university, particularly.
I think Ayana's been 18 for like 10 years now.
Are you 19 now?
No,
she turned
Oh,
18.
she's still 18. okay.
Disclaimer: I'm a year, like I was born a year later. Everyone else is born 2006. I'm 2007, so I get a lot of shade for it. And I turned 18 like this year. Yeah, and all of them turned 18 last year. So everyone is gonna give me a lot of shit for being younger than them, and I'm just gonna have to deal with it.
So she's younger. You're a year older than all of us, Ananda.
I'm like 5 days older than you guys. If I was born literally on the 1st of Jan 2006, nobody would be calling me this old. I'm like literally 26 December 2005, and people are like, you're so old, you're gonna be 20 this year, buddy.
I thought turning 20
She's turned
is a little scary, or like entering the decade of
You're
your
turning
marriage.
20 like 10 days after
But that's
me.
next year, not this year. You're turning 20 this year. That is scary.
You're turning 21 next year.
Oh God.
Yeah.
That is scary. 20s and 30s is normal. Like the decade between 20 and 30 is the decade you get married normally.
You won't need a fake ID anymore.
I think we've been using our fake ID since we were like
Yeah.
12 years old. I can't lie.
You're not 12 for me.
Yeah, but we never needed it before. I think after the whole Pune incident, like the
Yeah,
whole
that
Pune
But that was
crash
also for, like,
incident.
2 weeks.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but then I think like the clubs and the bars and all in Delhi got a lot stricter, and then they started asking for IDs.
So
is
then you
that?
stop. For me, it's convenient. Vancouver, the age limit is 19.
Yeah, even
for
in the
us
UK,
also it's
for us
18.
it's
Yeah, for us
18.
it's
So
18,
we're
yeah.
legal over there. It's just in Delhi.
Oh.
That's the problem.
Yeah.
So I really want to know from the four of you how you view, feminism, because you're the new generation that's going to step into the real world, the Gen Z generation. How do you view feminism as a concept, as something that you relate to, something that's a part of who you are, of your identity? So can you tell me your views about feminism, first of all? How you view feminism as a
This is
concept?
so deep.
Is it too deep for you? What is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's basically like women aren't background dancers in the group project society, basically.
What do you mean?
What do you
interesting.
mean?
Like feminism now, it's like so out there. We aren't just background dancers now, is the term I would use.
Okay, no, I get that. But I think nowadays a lot of people are taking it too far and, asking for a lot more. I think feminism as a concept was initially so that women and men have equal rights, not so that women get treated specially and differently, and they get more like stuff handed to them just because they're women in particular, which I think now has become kind of a trend where people asking for more stuff, women in general, because they take feminism, I think, a bit far sometimes.
So when I talk about feminism, I'm not asking you like the political definition of it, but I'm asking you how does the whole idea of how socially aware our society is, or if it's not, impact you guys as the youth of this country from the privileged section of society? How does it impact you? Does it impact you at all? Does it not impact you at all?
I don't think it impacts us as much as it would impact
Impacts other
others.
people.
Like
Yeah,
it's
for
still
sure.
there as like a background thing, but I don't think it particularly like impacts us like directly.
I feel like because of like our upbringing, like our school, everything about that, like the way our parents raised us, and also definitely like our generation, I don't think we've ever been impacted. Like, of course, you can see, like, if you're sitting in a car and you look outside of the road, of course, you can see it. But I feel like us and, like, everybody around us, like, whoever we've interacted with hasn't gone through anything like that.
So what do you mean by anything like that? Like how do you...
As in, like, I feel like
struggle.
they are treated equally. And I don't think, like, amongst us also, there's no, like, oh, women are better or, like, men are better. It's, like, always equal. But I don't feel like that's the case with, like, everyone else, like, the population of Delhi.
So you don't think that there is any sense of difference or disparity in privileged sections of society when it comes
Maybe
to equality?
not at our age. I think as of now, I feel like it's there in like very small things. Like maybe sometimes we'll feel it because of like really tiny things, but it's not like I said, it's something in the back. Like it's not something we feel like
Very subtle.
Yeah, it's very subtle.
Okay.
But like obviously, like still, if we guys are in a privileged group or whatever you could say, it's still there. Like you'll see it with like our mothers or like people we know that like they still have to struggle a bit. Like there'll be certain expectations, like you have to marry this person, you have to do this, you have to stay at home and do this. Like it's still there. It's just we don't have to deal with it.
I feel like if you ask us the same question, like maybe like 5-7 years down the line, we'll have like a different response. But because at this age, we're just like 18 or 19.
We're just too protected
Yeah, we're
right
like in our
now.
little bubble
After-
right now.
Yeah, exactly.
So in the last 1 year of university, when you've been, I'll say, something not exactly independent, but you've been managing yourself, your lives, your finances, everything yourself. Don't you think there's some sense of, I think, some sense of like where you're really introduced to the real world, where you see the real world. So is there any difference or anything you've sensed around you, maybe in university? Have you ever felt that you are being treated differently because you belong to a different gender
No.
or sexual orientation?
Haven't.
Never.
No.
Oh, that's
I think
interesting.
the only example I can think of in our age group would be, I know a few people in Delhi, like parents who have a son and a daughter, like 2 siblings. I think they would be more comfortable with their son being out at night. But then again, that's a safety issue.
Yeah.
It's not really anything about feminism. But then that's purely because of how other people view women, is that they kind of have to put these rules into place that, okay, like I have a daughter, so she has to come home earlier, and I have a son, and it's fine, he's a boy, so he can go out later. You know
But
what
it's
I mean?
also because like we don't live in like the safest city, and I feel like that plays a factor.
That is true to a very large extent. Do you also think, like, I won't take any names, now making it a little more interesting, but there are people in our so-called social circle who have been literally brought up, and from the so-called privileged section of society, who've been brought up to believe that, you know, you're supposed to grow up and get married. Your idea in life is to get married.
I know who you're talking about.
Who are
So
you talking about?
you can't take names.
I'll
I'll tell you
tell
later.
you later.
But you've been brought up to get married, or your aim is to marry a rich Punjabi, very wealthy, very, very wealthy guy. So
I know what you're talking about.
So what do you have to say about that?
What is your point here?
There are people who've been brought up like that. So
But
you-
I don't think that has anything to do with feminism.
Yeah.
I think
But
it's
the-
something that's.
do you raise
each
your boys?
family has
Do you
a-
raise your
no,
boys
I feel
believing
like it's not. That's not like what feminism is. Maybe that's
Okay.
more like of a family thing. Like certain families, people are brought up a certain way. But I also feel like I think we did not like touch this point that maybe we guys don't face it that much. But like there are so many guys in our generation, people we know, whose idea of like how a woman or how a woman should be treated,
a woman should be treated.
a woman should be treated, is so messed up. Like they'll be like, you know, like they shouldn't do this, they shouldn't do that. they should wear these type of clothes, they should
Yeah.
go out at this time, and if they have like a girlfriend, or if they're like with someone long term, they like have like certain like expectations that the girl has to fulfill.
So there you go. That's chauvinism, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So chauvinism is also a sign of not like that's
And
a
there
sign
are,
of
like,
social
so many-
disparity of because on the basis of because you're a woman particularly.
Yeah.
So then that is kind of being patriarchal.
And
so.
I also feel like there are a lot of like standards that have been put on girls, even our age, which are literally put by guys our age, which is like messed up. Like maybe I don't think we guys feel it that much, but I feel like we hear it so much.
We've
like,
seen it
Yeah,
a
like
lot.
messed up shit. Like you know, the Andrew Tate phase. There were so many
Oh,
guys
yeah.
like who would
So
like
bad.
disrespect women just because it's like they're below us. Like they think that. Like I feel like that is a good pointer, but still I don't think it affects us as much as it would affect us.
So I think I know the right question to ask now. Do you feel boys, when you interact with men, like boys in our generation, do you think they treat you the right way? Do you think you are being respected the right way? You're being spoken to the right way?
Very honestly, I think most of the men in our generation lack severe manners, and
She's right. Yeah.
That's
That's true.
but I think they lack. I don't think they do know how to treat women properly, because also now I think because of feminism and I think because of equality, there's a much. To be fair though, you know, I think back in the olden days, like men used to treat women like very like romantically and like gentlemanly, and I
chivalry.
know
Yeah,
there was so
yeah.
much chivalry, and I think that there was the whole concept of the woman is supposed to stay home, but I think, you know, the way they were being treated like in
Yeah,
most
so much of
scenarios,
dignity and that-
I think it was
if-
still
yeah.
different. I think it kind of like switched out. We got the equality and we got the freedom and we got to do everything, but now we just get treated like shit. So
I think
Yeah.
we spoke
You're-
about this in the last episode, but I also feel it really matters with the people they hang out with. Because
Yeah.
like I've
Yeah,
seen
for
people,
sure.
like personally I feel like guys in our school are way better than people from other
Other
schools. Like
schools.
genuinely,
I know what you're
say
talking
this so
about.
proudly
Yeah.
to everyone. Like I've
Yeah.
said this, I think I literally said the same thing in the last episode. But I feel like the guys from our school are so much better than other guys in particular, like generally. Because of like the friends, the things they consume on like the internet and how they like perceive it. Like we guys
Our
also see
upbringing
messed
also
up.
till a
Yeah,
very-
Yeah, for
upbringing
sure.
as
Big
well.
part.
but then you can't really say much about that.
Because
about
I feel
the
like a
upbringing.
lot
But I
of
feel
it
like
has
it
to do
depends
with like
from, like,
social media.
I think
Experience to experience. Like
even our school, I think while growing up, yes, obviously till class 5, class 6, you were like, I don't want to sit next to a girl, that whole thing when you've been asked to sit with someone. But till a certain extent, we were very good. We had very good friendships with, like, one of my closest friends are, like, most of my close friends. I have my best friends who are, like, the boys. But I also have very close female friends. I think female friendships show you a very different, like, I think someone said this also, that female friendships show you a very different perspective in life. I think that's why, particularly from our school, the boys are very, we're not very nice to you guys all the time. We're troubling you,
But they
chasing
still
you with
have the
insects.
basic morals. Like,
Yeah.
But you
at
know,
the
We're
end
having
of the
fun,
day,
but
they
not-
still
Yeah.
Yeah.
they still have some respect for
Yeah,
the
there's a
Like, we'll
difference
prank you,
between
we'll trouble you, but we're not,
that's a
yeah.
difference between troubling
They
and then
joke
not
around.
treating a
Sometimes
person
the jokes
properly.
that guys from our school also say are like messed up.
Yeah.
But like at the end of the day, you still know that they respect
Yeah,
you. So
Yeah.
like,
exactly.
I think that's the entire
End
like,
of the day, even if they're troubling you or making jokes, they are always there for you. That's a different thing. Your troubling is different. You're not disrespecting. There's a difference between
respectful troubling.
But that's just you guys making jokes.
Yeah.
That's a completely different scenario. That's
So-
not
yeah.
disrespectful per se. Like everyone's gonna make jokes, right? You're gonna joke around with your friends and stuff. But disrespect is, I've seen it in a lot of people in our generation, a lot of people that we know that in our social circle, and I don't want to take names or anything, but I know like this entire group of boys, they're all very close, but they have disrespected like 99% of their female friends.
or like 99% of the females they interact with. I
Yeah.
feel like it's
Yeah.
everyone. Like
So
anyone.
why don't you-
And the thing
anyone they can talk to, they'll say shit.
Like we are the girls, we don't know all of the things that you guys have on
Say,
like your boys
yeah.
group chat.
Yeah.
And like you have like hinted a lot of things to us, but like again, like we never know. Like I feel like we've just seen like a side of them,
Yeah.
and that side has been great. But like the other side is what
But you know,
guys.
I know as as the Hindi word would be badnaam. We all are for the group chats and everything. There are certain boys groups that you will see they don't talk about anything except making fun of each other. Like for instance, my friends group, it's just memes and them shitting on me.
Priyanshu's covering up for the boys.
No, but it's true.
He's on their side.
It's true. Like there are some very messed up things also, but not in our group per se, because my group is also very how do you say? They're all the time making fun of each other. They don't have time to do all this, and they're all in relationships.
I think
so
our
they don't do
generation
that.
is just very unserious in general.
Yeah, I
we're
think
an
that's the
unserious
problem.
generation, and I think we make a lot of jokes and we take everything as a joke. And I think also in the process we've hurt a lot of people's feelings by doing that. And
Yeah, we take away the validation of serious
Yeah.
issues by just joking around. Like I do that a lot. I just put funny stickers. Like
and
I
like
have my
memes,
stickers.
like
Yeah.
memes are such a massive thing
I
right
think
now. Like
one of our closest friends, because we three, you to never come, but we three, we have a group in the UK, and over there, let's not say names, but we know like the two boys.
Yeah.
They
Yeah.
make everything into a joke and a yarn, and
Oh, yeah.
all of us
Oh,
are just
God, it's
like,
really
you
frustrating.
both just stay away because like
They
you
can't
turn
take
this into a
anything
joke.
seriously ever.
Like they
I
will
think that's
turn
what's
it into a
important,
joke.
right? I mean,
But
Not all the
everything.
time.
Like, it's
Not
funny
all
to,
the
It's
time.
funny. It's funny. It's
Yeah.
fine. But like, it's just like a bit much sometimes. You get like, it's not like they do it purposely.
It's
just that they
frustrating
have
when you
the
don't take
habit of
anything
making a joke.
seriously.
Like even
Yeah.
I
No,
do,
but
like,
like Loki, that's their personality.
That is.
It's
I
been them since they were kids.
yeah, but
Yeah.
I
they're
feel
class clowns, no.
like,
Yeah.
class clowns.
Class
Like,
clowns.
was I not a class clown?
No.
No,
You were, but
not
you were
to
also
that
like-
extent.
I'm a good. I think.
Yeah,
a good
you have
boy.
Good
not to that
balance.
extent.
I've also been serious when I have to be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have I
Yeah,
not
but
been
like
serious?
not in a bad way. Just that they cannot be serious. Like it's a problem.
I think the thing is, if you have a one-on-one conversation with either of them, it'll be perfectly
It'll be
fine.
perfect.
It's
When
when
they
they
She's
come
right.
together.
She's
Yeah.
right. Yeah.
I think that's the issue.
That's a lot of people. I think when people are individually, they're great, but the moment you have them in a group, they're a little bit of a pain
They're
in the
still
ass.
great. It's just that they cannot
What they
take anything
portray
seriously.
and what they are. Sometimes, you know, they portray that they're not that serious, but when you sit down and have a conversation with them, you get to know.
Okay, now let's stop with this feminism. It's done.
Yeah,
Yeah,
So
feminism.
all four women
Let's talk
sitting
about
and they
the
don't want to talk
UK.
about
We have
feminism.
No, too
UK
much
woman.
feminism.
Wait, what?
She's lost. Aren't you lost?
Yeah.
Come back. You've seen how violent people in the city are.
Not violent.
Wait,
I
are
just
we
find it
really?
funny.
About women's rights?
Yeah.
About women's rights?
No, violent in general.
Oh,
It's just
Like
funny.
aggressive.
It's not.
Okay.
Like
I feel like they do it to
It's
look
so
cool and to
They
prove something to
don't. They look
themselves.
so
Yeah.
I have hit one person in my entire life. That was once. That's it.
Who have you
Who
hit?
have you hit?
Oh.
Ananda?
No, not Ananda. The reason. Ananda's the reason I
But
hit
you
someone.
didn't hit him.
I slapped him. That's why the other person jumped in and got beaten up.
But didn't he hold your collar first?
He
Yeah,
held my
I was
collar.
standing next
No,
to you.
He held my collar.
You
That's
were
why.
there. You were
I
there.
was drunk.
He held my collar. That's why I slapped him.
I literally remember
Yeah.
this.
Okay, no, but then someone else got involved and then there was whole like
Poor thing. The
fight.
whole. I was having my own moment. The guy has jumped in, and
And then you got out of it.
yeah, I got out
Yeah,
of it.
you got
Good,
out of
only
it.
you would have gotten beaten
Then
up.
Ahana and
100%.
sorry, I took names.
No, no,
But it's fine. Ahana and Ira put me in the car and they're like, "Ghar jao."
Yeah,
Yeah,
good.
thank
Even
God you
my
went
even
home.
my driver came
I
and he
feel like
literally like
everyone
get in the
should
car
give
right
up.
now.
I was
and
like,
he
I
drove
was
home.
enjoying the fight so much. I was like, this is so cool.
Manya, you're crazy.
He was
And then
crying.
I was going through it.
And then my driver comes, pulls me. He's like, police आने वाला है, police आने वाला है, जल्दी कार में बैठो. I was like, भैया देखने दो. He's like, नहीं अंदर आओ, अंदर आओ. Then he
उधर से
drove
बैठ
me
के
off.
देखो.
Yeah, no, bro, but I think it's kind of traumatizing when you're like that close
When
to
you're
it.
in the thing, maybe
Yeah.
it's
No,
not
I love
nice.
it. I love it. I enjoy it. You call up your friends and like, listen, come
It
here.
was not
I
fun.
feel
It
like
was
that fight maybe was too much. But
Yeah.
like other
Yeah.
fights
Other
that I've
fights
seen,
that
they're
have
just
happened,
hilarious. Like, why are you like doing this? Like,
Yeah, I was
Who
me
fights
and my
like that?
sister and my mom was speaking that
majority
day.
of the men in Delhi
They
fight
do,
like
they
this.
do.
They just like slap like this.
And then
like
it becomes too much when the bouncers come, so it doesn't look like they're doing this, but they're actually doing that.
that just going like this. Like
After
it's
like
hilarious.
every Saturday, you'll at least
Oh,
receive
God.
one video of some naked guy in the club getting beaten up and
Yeah.
thrown out of the club by the
Is he
bouncers.
naked?
because
the
they
shirt
tear the
get
shirt,
ripped.
yeah.
Hey Ram.
No, like me and my mom and sister were talking about this, and my mom was very concerned. Like this was like a few years ago, and she was very concerned that like you shouldn't be going to like and all like these places that people fighting. And my sister walks in and she's like, "Mom, it's like 14-year-olds just trying to slap each other, and no one is winning, and the bouncers just kick everyone out." And I think maybe like 9 times out of 10 we've gone to been a
There's been a
fight.
fight.
That's always
Do you
a
think
fight.
it's because of a genuine reason? It's time.
No,
ego.
there's no
ego.
genuine
It's
Ego
an
being.
ego has
It's an
it.
ego,
Literally,
yeah.
someone will touch someone like wrong, like maybe like this, and
Oh,
it's
yeah.
a fight.
It'll be
It's a
like
By
fight.
mistake also.
And it doesn't end there. There's like
No,
revenge
I walk in.
fight.
It continues. There's a
Then it goes
Like a
on.
never-ending cycle.
Yeah.
No, then you got a phone call at 3 o'clock. You're on a WhatsApp
shit.
call with 30 people.
Yeah, 45
You're like,
people.
बोल कैसे
I
दिया
remember
तूने?
once I was literally fast asleep and there was this party that everybody had gone for. I got like 6 calls on my phone at like 4 a.m. I pick up and I literally like, there's like 10 people yelling at each other about the same thing and like, I don't know, it's just...
I-
It happens too often.
Too
It's just
often,
funny. Like
yeah.
it's not scary. It's funny. It's actually hilarious.
No, now that I'm in university, I find it so stupid. Like I
It's
was,
stupid, but it's
I
funny.
think we
Like if
took
you're
it-
not involved in it, just watch and enjoy.
But
like.
I
I
find
think
it-
we took it very seriously when we were like
Class 11
younger.
types.
I think we took it very seriously and it was like a big deal. Like, oh my god, this person's fighting with this person. Then everyone had to get involved. Then everyone had to try to sort it out. And there were 45 people on a group call trying to sort it out, but nothing's getting sorted out because everyone's talking over each other and no one knows what's going on. But now when you like think about it in hindsight,
Now
I
you
think it was
ignore
very
it.
dumb.
It ends in 5 minutes.
Yeah.
It does end.
Yeah.
just don't join the phone call.
Don't join. No, if the thing is happening in front of you, don't pay attention. Walk off. Nobody's watching. They'll stop.
Like someone fights with you.
Yeah.
Now I feel you just need to take the guy in the corner and say, क्यों कर रहा है ये भाई? तेरे को क्या चाहिए?
Yeah.
If it's in public, they'll be like, कैसे मार दिया? ये कैसे कर दिया?
Because you have to
Slapping
show.
someone.
So aggressive.
Yeah.
Like it's actually an ego hassle. Like I know, like I've heard, like I don't know these people, but they literally like just if they see someone like laughing at them, they'll just go up to the person
Oh yeah.
and
How
start
can you do
fighting.
that?
But the thing is, guys can't just end it by talking. Like, they have to
No.
get violent. I don't think
Yeah.
girls ever get into like cat fights.
No, I've seen cat fights.
No.
Oh, they're funny.
I've seen one.
I've seen. I think I've
This
seen.
is not going in the podcast.
Okay,
No, we're not. I'm not taking any names, but I've
I'd
seen a cat
almost
fight.
been in a cat fight in school.
I
but you know
love
who,
her
when she
now.
tried to like come and punch me with her. Like,
And cat fights are so funny. You guys
Oh,
go
yeah,
straight
I
for
know
the hair.
yeah,
You
'cause
straight
that's
for
the
the hair.
easiest thing.
That's like a weapon, no?
Yeah.
Like,
बाल
it's
खींचो.
kinda- yeah, बाल खींचो.
No,
फिर
it's
ना दर्द
painful.
होती है
It
ना,
is really
बहुत दर्द
painful.
होती है.
I've never seen boys pulling each other's hair saying मारूंगा.
Yeah, because, I mean, you guys have this much hair. What are you gonna pull?
You guys just like go like.
And every Delhi boy has the exact same hairstyle, like curly hair.
Curly, this
Like
much
the whole,
hair till
everyone is
your-
roaming around in the club. I swear you can't tell who's who.
Who is
Like
who.
every man looks the exact
Exact
same.
same.
And you're
Oh
standing
my
on that
God.
level that you only see hair. It's all curly.
So if you're short, then that's too bad, yeah.
No, but you're standing on
No, when
a
you're like
elevated
on the
thing,
table,
not
like
the
you
table.
just see like the same person cloned. It's insane.
Yeah.
I feel like all Delhi boys, like there'll be like 5 similar like looks, and every guy. Will
Yeah,
look
there's no like
that.
originality. Everyone
Yeah,
just
like
looks the
everyone
same.
just looks the same. Like there's one guy who looked like one guy, and then like the other guy like the other guy. Like
Yeah,
they
I'm
all
just trying to
have
figure out who he looks like.
I think I dress very differently.
It's not
You-
about
except
the
of you,
Yeah,
yeah.
except for you, everyone looks
Honestly,
the same.
I
okay?
think there's a like category for you as well.
No,
like,
even
you're
guy,
not that,
I think
you're not
I
that
took-
different.
I think even one of my friends, very close friends of mine, you know what I'm talking about,
Yeah.
dresses differently.
Yeah.
Kid bhai,
Ryan.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
He does.
he dresses very differently.
But I feel like that's also a
But
category.
he's also again, he's not like the type who comes out to the clubs all the time. I'm
All
talking
the
about the
time.
guys at the club. Like it's
Yeah.
So, I
all
mean, I
the
don't go to the
same.
club.
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
which is why you're not involved
Yeah,
in
thank
it.
God.
Oh my god, guys at the club, they all wear the same t-shirt.
Same t-shirt, same hoodie,
same
same
perfume, you can
hairstyle.
smell it. It's
When you enter,
it's just
Chanel blue. No, it's Dior Sauvage. Bro. Look at your face.
sweat and Dior
It's
Sauvage.
so
That's
bad.
all you will smell. That's all that will like.
Hate it.
And vodka and vomit.
Yeah,
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I think I know about that smell very recently. But do you think in these clubs when there are these boys roaming around, do you think you put them in a category like are they kind of boys because they're all
I
wearing
feel
this-
like they're all trying.
Yeah.
I
They
think
all
maybe
Yeah,
that's
it
depends.
why. Maybe because they all look the same, that's why they keep like running through the same women. Possibly.
So how do you describe?
Someone who gets with multiple women.
ये तो
I
बहुत
feel
Oxford
like you can
dictionary हो गया.
identify them by their looks. You know.
You can.
Yeah, you can.
Like if you look at looks, maybe even
You
just
get
by
an
the way they
idea
talk.
by them.
Yeah,
Like
like
the talk, definitely.
Literally by the way they talk. I feel like looks can be deceiving. Like I feel like there can be like someone who does not look. Who does not look who does not look like he's a fuck boy, but then
Yeah.
ends up actually being one.
Yeah, does happen.
Like I think no, maybe you guys don't
It's
know
never
because
the
there are so
opposite
many,
though.
But like I feel like we know so many people who if you like don't know them and you look at them, you'll be like, what? And then like you get to know them, they're like proper Does not make sense.
But I don't think you'll ever look at someone and be like, oh, like they're so innocent and they like
Yeah.
turn out to be like a fuck.
Nobody's
No,
innocent.
I
No,
think I
even
have,
I
like,
Really?
been deceived.
Yeah.
No.
I think
I
my
think you
first
can identify
impression.
them very easily.
My first impression of
Yeah.
everyone, you're innocent,
like
and
also
then
because,
it's just bad.
You already
You are
know
innocent.
you already know stuff about them without knowing them. If
Because
you
you know everyone in
Yeah.
Delhi.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's just a
There
small
are
circle.
certain types. Like if someone looks a certain way, you
Then-
get to know that. But I
Fuckboy.
also feel like there are so many people who don't look a certain way and they're boys too.
I feel like all boys try to look like a boy,
But like maybe
like
some
that's
of
like
them
every
fail.
guy's aim.
There's
They're
like a standard like image of them,
Yeah.
you know, like they have
And
to
they, like,
wear
change
their
themselves to
branded
become like
t-shirt
that.
or like
Yeah.
Yeah, and they
branded
change
hoodie.
every
They
season. That's the thing. Like I remember, like at one point it was the Balmain T-shirt.
It still is.
No, but bro, I feel like it's very outdated now.
It is outdated, but
People
some
still
people
wear
still
it.
wear
Some people
it.
still wear it, but
Yeah.
that's when
They
you know
do.
they're like.
It just has to
Yeah.
be either a t-shirt or a hoodie that has the brand name or just the logo,
Or
and
the
it's
logo.
a black or a white t-shirt with just the name or the logo, and black
or
or
a
white
white
pants.
shirt or a white shirt. With the
White is
buttons
not
down.
that
No, I
short.
know
the
the
buttons
shirt.
down.
The shirt.
That
people
was a
on
trend in
that
Goa.
band.
That's
The
not
shirt is
here.
still
That was a
okay.
trend
The
in
shirt
Goa,
is
not
chill.
here.
The shirt
I'm
is
very
good.
happy I'm wearing a shirt today.
The shirt guys are chill. They're
Yeah,
not
they're
that
chill.
chill. I think they just want to look good. I think they just
thank you.
are happy.
not
what
of
is
No,
talking
you're
about
not in the
Priyanshu?
category right now.
No, but how like what do you think like men who are sweet, how do they dress? Like shirts?
No, I feel like men who are sweet, they,
Them you have
they
to
can
talk
also
to.
dress. Yeah, that's
Then
when
you have to
But
talk
sweet
to
men are
find
not
out.
hurt at all.
Bro, there are a
They
lot
won't
of
go and
sweet-
approach a woman only, a woman at all. They'll just sit in the corner and just like.
No, they have a way of talking. Maybe they're trying to get with someone, but they like have a way of like respecting. Like I feel like are just like very disrespectful.
You can see
It's
it.
very-
Maybe the people you're talking about, they have their own private way of doing things. They don't show it.
No, I've very rarely seen some guy with good intentions coming up to a woman in the club.
Yeah.
Honestly, I don't think I've
Yeah.
ever seen
No,
it.
What
someone
is good
approaches you at the
intentions?
club, it's not good.
Good
intentions.
intentions in the
genuinely
sense
going-
not just to hook up and like leave. You know,
Yeah.
like one night stand type of stuff. I don't think I've honestly ever seen someone come to the club to find like a girlfriend.
Yeah, that's
I mean,
true.
sometimes
Yeah.
it just happens by
Yeah, it'll
chance.
eventually
No, yeah,
happen.
bloody hell. Every time I go, whenever I go, very rarely, once in a moon,
Yeah.
I tell TT, I'm like, you think I'm gonna find the woman of my life? And she's
But
like,
do you
no.
ever and do you ever go up to a woman?
No.
No, he
Then
runs
I don't
away.
feel like
So the
he
people who
doesn't
actually
talking
do are the
about-
boys.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
then good human beings like me will get arranged marriage or what? No, but then like where do good boys go?
Bro,
They
I feel
have
like
that way.
okay, wait, one second.
How?
I
They don't
feel
have the
like
confidence.
no, I feel like if you say boys are in club, that means not girls, but like girls who want to hook up are also
Or
in the
also
club.
in the club.
They're the people who are hooking up are in the same category.
All the
Yeah.
women I
So
know are in the club.
good boys and good girls will not be hooking up either. Like, do you get what I mean? Like, if there's a boy
Arey, meri
hooking
maa
up
to
with a
where do you
girl,
find the good girls in mandirs? I mean, what do you
no,
want?
they
to
will
do?
also be at the club.
You
They
go
just maybe are
tomorrow to a
looking for
mandir,
that.
you come
Chal,
back
guru.
and you let us know if you find
You
it.
know
milega.
good girls who are in the clubs. You know them. But
Those
like-
are my friends, na?
Huh, so they're
Still-
good girls only. Like,
Yeah,
like maybe
exactly.
someone else is gonna like think they're like
Bro, you know what
Yeah.
it is? You're not gonna find someone. Have you ever honestly tried to go up to someone and talk to them? Someone you
Never in
don't
my
know.
life.
Exactly.
So then
So
how
you're
are you supposed to find them,
Yeah.
Priyanshu? They're not
How
just
do you go and
talk
ask?
to
First of
na.
all, explain this to me. How do you go and ask somebody that I'm looking for a
No,
relationship?
you don't.
high?
You start
you
with
just start
that.
okay, you
just
find
start
someone
with-
pretty, you
Yeah.
start a normal conversation with them. You don't hook up with
Yeah.
them the first night. You
Yeah,
maybe
don't be, like,
start
weird
talking to
about
them.
That I
first
get.
night.
Obviously, that
So,
people are shy.
yeah,
yeah.
so
You know,
you can.
girls can sense your energy also if you're trying to talk or you're trying to hook up.
Like yeah,
There's-
exactly.
yeah.
Like you know, guys think
Girls
that
are very
only they have
highly
this, like,
emotional
yeah, that girl is
creatures.
into
That girl
it.
is into
That's
it,
not how
yeah.
it is.
You know what happens with boys? You go and talk to a person, even if you do, and she shows even a little bit of disinterest. You're like, okay, fine, let's cut
It's
it.
the
in
same
half.
You know,
with
maybe even
girls.
she's trying to open up. If
How-
you guys feel
Our
scared,
emotional quotient is very low. We don't understand these
it's
things.
yeah,
bullshit.
that's like,
नहीं समझ आता
No,
यार.
it's
No,
very
that's not
true.
bullshit,
Boys
that's
have
very
no
true. They're very
emotional
dumb.
intelligence. Girls have very, very high emotional
high.
intelligence.
No.
But the thing is that if you're seeing someone approach you and she's showing some sort of like disinterest and you're getting like turned off by it, why don't, if you know this, you're aware of it, you've spoken about it, why don't you make an effort then to continue talking to understand the vibes? And if she still shows disinterest, then fine, like leave. But
to give it some time. Just the
Yeah.
first thing, you just can't run away.
They're not that like we're also
Because
scared at
girls
the
will
same
never
time.
come up to you. Like
Girls will
get
not.
like
scared,
that
yeah.
is a
We're
very
very
small-
scared.
I get this
I
scared.
really
Even
don't.
girls are
I'm like,
scared sometimes,
You
you
don't
know?
say no. Just
Yeah.
don't answer, but don't say no. That too.
But
no,
Priyanshu,
but also I think a lot of people like our age now, it's become a trend where people just get accused of like forcing it. Do
Yeah.
you know what I mean?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
So, like,
you're
pushing-
being like really
Yeah.
persistent about it, and like the girls like getting uncomfortable and stuff. So
No, but the
that I
good boys,
understand.
they'll be like, you say, no, like, my friends, if you say no to them once, they'll be like,
No, but that's the difference.
They're heartbroken,
There are
they'll
good
go home and
boys
start
and there are
crying.
A good guy would never be offended by a no. I'll tell you
no,
this
it's
right
not offended.
now.
They lose confidence and go back home. and
Lose
start crying.
confidence is fine, but
No,
they
no,
never
no.
get offended by
What
it.
about that incident where somebody's approached you? What about her then?
So then you run like
Exactly. Wait, what are you saying? You approach a girl, she shows disinterest, you get disheartened, like, oh no, okay. What happened that time?
So there's a respectful way what I did.
No,
where
that
I
was
get my
not
friend and say,
respectful.
that's my girlfriend and I gotta go bye.
Did you even try to hear what she was
I
saying?
said
Maybe
that
she was trying
5
to
minutes
have...
I spoke, I listened, I spoke.
You didn't talk
spoke
for
to
5
her,
minutes,
I
you
heard her
vanished.
name.
Are you guys talking about something?
Yeah. I
You had a girlfriend?
no, yeah.
You made it up.
A girl approached him. Okay, he was in the circle. A girl approached him and she was just trying to talk to him. I turn around and Priyanshu's gone. I'm getting spam calls that help me out, help
I
me
was
out,
scared
help me
because
out. Where did you
so
Why
I
were
took
you
so
scared?
I took another friend of mine right there and I was like, so it's not like I ran away like the moment she said hello, whatever.
No,
I
that-
spoke
not
to
that
her
moment. How
from
long?
school for a good 5 minutes.
No, you didn't. I
No.
was in front of you.
Listen,
You vanished.
okay, fine, whatever. 30 seconds.
See?
Your
30
college,
seconds.
what's your name, everything.
How
And
much
then
time did you give her that you're saying
30
that?
seconds, and then I was like,
But
maybe I'm
how
not
can you
interested.
expect to find a good woman if you're only running away?
Exactly.
But she wasn't
What
good.
if she was the
See,
one?
how do you
see,
know?
how do you know that? Did you talk to her
Priyanshu,
properly?
what
to
if
I was
she
scared.
was the
No.
It's
She,
too bad
Priyanshu,
then.
listen, it's a big thing
I
that
grabbed
a
another
girl...
friend's hand and I said, that's my girlfriend, bye, and I
No,
ran
it's a
away.
big thing that a
no.
girl
No, no, I
approached
took
you.
someone.
girls do not approach.
Yeah.
Who's that, huh?
Some
Some
random...
random.
He held
college
some.
kid.
He held
He held-
Dash.
I had some friend,
He
another friend's
held-
hand.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
And said
She was there,
that's
yeah.
my
Guys, no
girlfriend,
names.
and then he ran away.
No
Cut it
names.
out.
No
I think it's
names.
fine.
Club.
But this is nothing bad.
When Sumer was
You saw her reaction.
You just held her hand and said, "This is my."
I said, this is my girlfriend. I said, bye.
You stupid idiot.
Couldn't find anyone, yeah.
No, but what I'm trying to say
She
is...
probably got
now-
put off herself.
Yeah.
No, she's
No,
like
no,
my
no,
friend.
no,
I
no.
said, chalo, bhai, bhago,
She's
मेरी
your
girlfriend है.
friend since when?
So now the
Always
thing
been a
is,
friend,
Priyanshu...
like an acquaintance.
It's a big thing.
We love you, Mama.
Cross-legged anymore.
Listen, it's a
100%.
big thing if a girl has approached you and you did this. Now she's probably not gonna go approach someone else. She'll
I
be
said-
more scared now.
Girls do not approach guys. Like
Yeah.
I've never like I
It's
did
a
not
very
know this
big
is even
thing
a
she did
concept.
that.
You know, I think first of all that must be a prank.
That's false.
Someone said dead
For the
her.
record, that's
Even if
false.
I think we are
Not in a weird way.
like good men are not good. I don't know, but I'm not going to say I'm a good guy, but I'm going to say decent human beings.
It's
are
okay,
little,
you're one of the good ones. We'll
are,
give it
are
to
a
you.
little
Yeah.
shy. Are a little.
That's fine. That's normal.
But I was not interested.
one
yeah.
second.
Priyanshu,
I feel like,
I'll tell
See,
you.
if you weren't interested, you would have spoken to her for a bit and then just.
I spoke to her a bit.
swiftly,
The moment you had
know,
nothing to ask,
and
I
okay,
held some friend's hand and said, I'm dating, and I ran away.
You don't do that. That's like escaping. Now she's gonna be scared of approaching anyone now.
But I spoke and I told her I have a girlfriend.
30
so I ran
seconds.
away.
You
Just
just said
shut
30
up.
seconds.
But I said I have
You
a
know,
girlfriend.
there's a way, there's a manner. She's talking like, hi, hello, okay, 1 second. I'm dating someone. I need to be with her or something.
Because
And
of
you just
karma,
go.
now this will happen to you. if
Yeah,
you
it
approach
will.
Someone now.
वैसे ही कौन सा चल रहा है कर्मा?
No, but I think we need to give credit to some boys. I feel like there are boys who are also good people, just like they have issues.
Oh.
Yeah, we
No, and I
should
don't
do
think
this.
every boy is like confident. Like maybe they are shy, but like in the club, it's actually like the alcohol that talks.
Yeah.
No.
I know a lot of sober boys, like very
Yeah, I
sober,
do.
like
I have some very good friends who are like
insane.
shamelessly
Yeah,
like.
I know who you're talking
Yeah.
about.
I love them to death. Like
two
one
of
of my
them are
closest
the
friends.
too shameless. No, I can't. say.
Ananda,
Two are way too shameless.
don't take names.
Anyway, but yeah, no, but I think they end up like really affecting these girls' like mental health and.
But
I
how do you
think they give
sleep when
them
you've been an asshole to
issues.
someone? Like I to feel bad. I start calling him. I'm very sorry for what
You
I've
were
done.
you were an asshole to me for
And
like
I,
2 years.
how many times have
Not
I
enough.
said
Not
sorry
enough.
to you?
Not enough. Say it again.
Sorry, Ananda.
I think we should bring up when they were like fake dating
my
in
God,
like
shut
class
the fuck
8. Just by the way, and then Priyanshu were official, and
my
I
God,
posted it
when?
on my main Instagram in class 8.
It was like a
Shut up.
It was on my. I posted it on my
She
main.
actually did. Like I remember Samira made like this main.
He had a
post,
crush on
that
her.
was-
starter,
stupid.
dessert of like fish beings. It was all a joke though.
No, also don't put this
That's
because
so
her
lame.
mom may not. This is weird. Don't put it.
My mom's not gonna watch any of this first.
It's going to be on TV.
That's so lame.
Can't watch any of this. But she already knows.
Let's
Malti auntie Priyanshu liked Ananda in class
Yeah,
8.
fine, whatever. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, still does.
Shahzad, name me your crushes, three of you.
No.
Thank you. That'll be better.
Ayana's like, I don't
Ayana,
I never had crushes.
shut up. Just shut up.
Okay.
Nonsense. My brother, you're the longest. The crush for the longest time.
Me, your brother had a crush on my sister.
But my question right now is, you guys have spoken such shit about like boys. I mean, they deserve it. But what about girls?
Okay.
Oh, they're
yeah.
the worst. They're even
They're
worse.
even
Oh.
worse.
They're
We are
even
saying
worse.
they're even
Worse.
They
worse.
will no. If see, I don't think most girls are girls, and I feel like there are again a category in it. Like some have like you know models still like they're enjoying. They have like certain like you know like views on how they should like go about with life right now, and I feel like it's fair enough. But I also feel like there are certain girls who have absolutely no morals and they'll go for anyone even if they have a boyfriend. No, a girlfriend, right? A girlfriend.
A boyfriend.
A boyfriend.
Oh, you can have a girlfriend.
You can- yeah, you can.
A boyfriend will have a girlfriend and she is also very capable of having a boyfriend. And she will just like
I'm
you
just
know-
confused that.
Yeah, I'm
who's
not-
Yeah, I'm now. I
Yeah,
don't know
yeah,
who's
boyfriend.
boyfriend.
Wait. Let me explain it. There are certain girls who will hook up with another guy, like with multiple guys.
When they have a
and
boyfriend.
When they have a boyfriend
Yeah,
and they won't
okay.
even care if that boyfriend, like, not. If that guy has a girlfriend. You get what I
Okay,
mean? Like, they have
I
no-
get it, I get it.
Okay, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
like they
So
have
basically,
zero
yeah.
morals.
I got it, but
Okay.
my question is, morals in the sense like what?
Like they will just do whatever the they want. Like
Yeah.
they in a bad way. I'm not saying this in a good way where like you know everyone should do whatever the they
I
want.
think that
It's like in a bad way. Like I will ruin anyone's life for my own
Yeah.
satisfaction.
Yeah.
People
Yeah.
speak like that.
It's
Like I will
they
ruin
do.
your life.
no,
they
like
don't-
that's what
That's
goes on in
manga.
there. No, but I'm saying it maybe in a dramatic way, but like the mindset is like I don't care about anyone else. Like
Yeah.
it's my life, I'll do whatever, and they justify it that way.
And
but
then the
obviously
person
it's
has
not.
to handle whatever's happened. I've done my
because
job.
in the dude,
they have
what
to
you're
handle
saying,
it.
like in the sense that this girl, okay, she has a boyfriend and she's gone to hook up with this other man who also has a girlfriend. But I mean, usually, like girls, you have your boy code, we have our girl code.
No,
in
I don't
girl
think we have
code,
something a boycott anymore.
okay, fine, we have girl code.
Yeah, we
but
do.
I think generally,
Do you?
Yeah, of course we
yeah,
do.
we do. I think generally in girl code, like if a girl knows that okay, this man has a girlfriend, you would refrain in 80% of every situation. 80% of the girls would refrain from doing anything with this man. But then there's that 20% who don't care about the girlfriend and they don't care about girl code and they'll do whatever pleases them. That's
Because
what
you
she
know
means.
cheating goes both ways. Like obviously like if a guy is in a relationship, it is his responsibility to not do something. But like 90% of the times the girl knows that he has a girlfriend, but she will still do it.
Still do it. Yeah.
Like it goes both ways. Like it is the guy's fault 100%. Like when people disregard that and just give shit to the girl, that's up too. But
Yeah.
like it's still both ways. Like the girl is not right either.
yeah, she's equally at
I
fault.
just
feel like the
equally
concept
yes.
of boy is like more popular than the concept of
girls. Yeah.
Yeah.
No,
I
we
feel
have
like
more
a fuck
derogatory
girl-
terms
It's just
for that.
maybe-
No. I feel like girl is just termed as a very different word, which I don't want
Yeah,
to
no,
say.
you were talking about
That's
feminism,
also
But
right?
we
No,
use
fe-
that word in a completely like
Different-
horrid context.
Yeah.
By
We
the way,
use it
like,
But by the way, for
We
people
use
who
it
are
very
not
casually.
who are not aware with what a boy or a girl, I mean, I don't like to use the word girl because it's weird. It sounds weird. But a boy is a very generic term used by our generation,
and it's
particularly.
spelled FUCKBOI. By the way, there's no I.
It's no
Okay,
why.
it's also misspelled, and it's a term that's used for men who are very frivolous with their.
You don't have to be political.
I'm not being political. I'm just trying to use thinking कि कौन कौन देखेगा फिर क्या सोचेगा. But I'm trying to think of a more better term. A more they can basically.
Loose with women.
They're very loose in character. They can approach any woman without any. They approach multiple women very shamelessly. They can misbehave
This
with
is
them.
really bad.
They can misbehave with them in the sense they're not
Your
respectful.
description
You
is
made it
making it
so
even
bad,
worse.
yeah.
They're bad people, yeah.
Basically,
character,
Ayana, I think you
shamelessly
should describe
like
it.
your
I think
own
you should
dictionary.
define what a
It's like he's
fuckboy
summing
is.
up what
Okay.
Yeah.
I think we should use Urban Dictionary.
No, I
Okay,
think
I'll
they're-
tell you. It's just a very simple definition. It's just a man who goes around and hooks up or gets with a lot of women. Not necessarily anything physically, can be emotionally also with multiple women, can also be just like a fling or something.
But he's not
It's someone who doesn't care about their
multiple
feelings.
women at the
other
same
person.
time.
that's
He's
yeah.
disrespectful towards them, ignorant.
Okay, should
Yeah.
I read the definition from Urban
Yeah,
Dictionary?
Please do.
Urban Dictionary is basically the dictionary for all the bad words of Gen
Gen
Z.
Z.
But you have name meanings
It's a
of
Gen Z
everything.
dictionary.
A boy spelled as FUCKBOI is a guy who will tell a girl anything to get them to hook up with them. A complete jerk who flirts with multiple girls at a time and makes them all believe they're individually special. They tell a girl they like them and act like they're in love so they can get something out of it, like pictures, hooking up, etc.
Physical needs will
Yes.
fulfilled.
Someone who should not be trusted and is the reason for a lot of people's trust issues.
issues.
Don't with boys.
Yeah.
Is written in this.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Guys, should we read the definition of a girl as
you
well? Because
should.
I
I
feel
think
like we
that is
don't
like-
know that.
You
I
know,
think it's different.
girls are respected.
our-
That's why, you know, you
You don't
hear
like
the
the
word
term.
boy so much, you don't hear the word girl. You judge a
No,
girl.
there
you
are
say,
worse terms that
Yeah,
people
but
use.
then
yeah,
people
yeah.
There are
the-
derogatory
there are
terms
worse
that people
terms.
use.
But I think the main difference with the boy is that I think he would go and, you know, be like to each girl, like, I love you, I'll do this for you, I love you, I'll do this for you, to every single girl that he's with. But I think with the girl who's getting with many girl, I think she's just kind of neglecting like all of them. Like she just gets with
I
them
also-
and they're chasing her, but she's just like, okay, whatever. Like
I also feel like the concept of being a boy is not like seen as bad, but like if you're like a slut, I don't know, should I take that?
no,
word?
no,
Okay,
no, 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 no.
If you're like a girl, people like really look at you like negatively, like they look down upon you.
Yeah.
You get what I mean? But like if you're a boy, it's still
Same.
fine.
No, I think
If you're a
you're
I think boys are worshipped sometimes in like
Yeah.
their
In the
male
boys' group,
groups.
Yeah.
In like the
No, wait,
No,
no,
I think
I
we
don't
all know people like this. I think you guys know which particular guy I'm talking about. Like he did everything in his power to be like the boy who's in his friend group and
Yeah.
looks up to. And now, like you can look at him, he's exactly the same way. I don't know if you guys.
You
are
know,
getting
but
what I'm talking
as
about.
boys, often like I don't know about our other, but most of my friends and I think we're not like, कि wow ये कर रहा है, but we're like कैसे कर रहा है? Like how do you sleep?
Can I ask you a genuine question?
Ask.
Like, I don't know if you can't tell me because of the whole boys thing and all, but generally, you know, like not just in your group, but generally with
men,
boys, when a guy goes and he sleeps around or whatever, hooks up with multiple women, and he's a boy. Do you guys ever like reprimand him or like do you guys ever tell him that no, what you're doing is wrong? Because I think that comes more from like the girl side and they're telling the boys that, you know, like you shouldn't be doing this, and the female friends are more like on him about
No,
it.
so, okay, so
But I don't know
I'll
if
tell
the
you,
guys
it-
actually.
It
yeah.
depends on how close you are to the person. So if I'm one of my best friends or like in my boy, like one of the boys, one a good lad, yeah, you would tell him that what the hell are you doing with your life? Because then if he's like your close friend, you tell him that. You know
How
the thing with
close
boys
does he
also
have
is
to be?
like one of my closest friends.
Okay.
With boys, another problem is so either they're boys or either they go straight into marriage and children. So in their head, like, you know, when we grow up, that's going to be my wife, that's going to be those are my children, that woman will be my wife.
But that's like everyone.
Is that with girls also?
Yes, of
I think
course.
like
of
every
course.
girl thinks that.
That's not just
Definitely.
boys.
I
that's
can't
all
like even the
boys.
boys do this.
No, I don't
Yeah.
They do. They're
They
all
have,
for like.
they
I'm
have
going to
one
marry this
girl
woman.
in mind.
They're
Yeah.
all for like this is the love of my life. I'm gonna marry her eventually, and when I do get married, I'm gonna be so like you know how you all want to be like this like man, and you want your
Yeah.
woman.
But
to,
I'm
like,
having
No,
my
no.
fun right
do
now. Like
this
I'm
and
having
blah, blah,
fun right
blah.
now, whatever I'm doing. Even a boy
Yeah.
would have
No,
a
so
girl.
I'm like, okay, but you still need to like have like with my close friend, I'll be like, you need to choose.
Yeah, but
Exactly.
I feel
And-
like
you do
and
that.
that's also
done
in a
more
limit.
in
After a point,
private.
what happens
You
is
guys don't say it
automatically.
publicly. You say it in
No.
private.
So-
to the
Boy
Yeah.
can also
So with
have a
boys,
heart.
the thing is, if he's your close friend, whatever they might do, he or she, with any friend of mine, actually, like, out of my personal experience, anything they do, he or she, I might not, I have done that in the past, and I don't think it's the right thing to do, but I would not reprimand them in public in front of everyone else.
Even
That's
I wouldn't
fair
do
enough.
that.
Even I
We would
wouldn't
not.
do
Take them,
that.
Yeah.
take them if in front of me.
Back
if
them
Ayana is saying that
always.
Manya is a man, I'll be like, Ayana's right. But then later on, I'll tell her, what the hell are you saying?
Okay, no, that's a bad
That's a very
example.
stupid example.
I think
No, I get what
it's
you're
not
saying.
about proving them right.
Manya is not a man, Ananda, but I'm saying
Okay, what did you say? Even
Yeah,
I
but I don't think it's
the
more
context
about.
is that if whatever she says, I will support her in front of all of
Yeah,
you.
so it's more
that is
about
fine. That's
backing,
with
not
everyone.
about that.
That's
Okay,
what-
you're right, but then in public, in private, you're like, no, like you shouldn't have done it. It's more about like in public, like you back the person, you support them, you like show that okay,
depends
I'm
if-
with this person, but then in private, you
Depends on
you know,
what
you
No,
did
so
this
extent it
wrong,
goes
you
if
did that
somebody,
wrong.
if one of my close friends is showing genuine disrespect in public, and it's very, very disrespectful, I will stand there and I'll be like,
You will.
"Boss,
You'll try
shut
to
up."
end it, then
Yeah.
tell them as well. That
No, in
what
front
you
of the
did.
person also, and it's
That-
happened.
If it reaches that
If
level.
it's too bad,
I feel
then
like
yeah.
you
I
have
think it's happened. We have stood there and we were like, you will not speak to this person, even if it's my closest friend. I'm like, you cannot speak to this person in this certain tone. You
That's
cannot-
fair enough, but I feel like with the topic we were going with, I feel the confusion that comes that do guys like disagree with when their friends are like, you know, boys or doing whatever.
No, depends, I think.
So that's what like the confusion is like, do you guys say anything?
With my close friend, I
Because
will
I
tell
feel
him.
like anyone who's friends with anyone, like at
But
least
do you think
all of
it's
us,
a-
we'd never
But
say
you know,
something
boys are also
that
scared.
go-
I
no,
don't
I
think
feel like we
genuine
don't.
boys lie to
trend.
their friends also often.
Yeah,
At least
no, I
the
feel
good
like
boys.
girls do. I
I'll
feel
tell you,
like
no,
there's so
Manya,
No,
good
I
boys.
think boys lie
do
so
it.
much
Boys,
more.
because they know if they go tell their best
think
friend
it's a
that
reputation
I'm roaming around with
issue.
3 girls at the same time,
Yeah.
they know they'll get kicked. In their core friend circle, they'll be
Yeah.
made fun of. They'll be like, hey,
Yeah,
look at him.
yeah.
And they lose all funny terms for the guy.
Yeah, but also I think it's because guys care a lot more about keeping their reputation intact and their ego and like
Yeah.
how
Yeah.
it should be and the way it looks to other people. And I think
I think
that's
it's not
why
ego.
girls
I think we have
lie
very
a lot
fragile.
less to
I
each
mean, it is
other.
ego technically.
It
We have a
is
very
ego.
fragile
It is
sense
ego.
of self-respect. Like,
Yeah.
okay, not self-respect, ego. But
Ego.
No, you guys think you need to have all the self-respect. Like you guys genuinely think you need to be the most self-respecting people ever, and no one can say anything to you. No one can touch you. No one can come near you. Otherwise, you have to like go all out, like either hitting them or like
Raising your
saying,
voice,
yeah,
screaming.
saying stuff to them, and
Bro,
it
I
just
feel
gets
like
out of hand.
girls' idea of revenge is so different from guys. Like
we just
guys,
call the other girl a
No,
like call
boys,
it a day,
boys,
No, but you
they
know-
don't fight for long. Like I've seen like boys, like girls, they fight and they do things to each other. So girls are like
Because
my
there are
personal
sometimes
opinion,
emotions
girls are
involved.
very
I don't think
nasty
you
to
guys.
each
I
other.
think girls
Yeah.
are worse. 110%.
they are
Yeah.
so
Girls
like
are
best
worse.
friends are doing the
Yeah.
most horrible things to each
Horrible
other.
things.
I feel
Yeah.
like
Boys, you can't
personal
imagine.
Yeah.
experience.
Boys,
Anya can.
I
I feel
tell
like
you,
also, I
I've had
feel
a
like-
bunch of like horrible like best friends.
Yeah.
And like no names, but they will like. Wait, actually, I'm not gonna connect this to this because then it'll just be too obvious.
Yeah.
Okay,
No,
but-
I was saying that I feel like guys are more upfront. Like girls.
we'll go slap each other, fight it out. Half an hour later,
Yes,
all
I feel
gone.
like
Yes,
girls
yeah.
like have this phase of like first being fake to each other, then like
Yeah.
You guys are
finally
horrible.
lashing
We're just
out.
more emotional. Like we just
Bro,
have
it's
to like
not
go through that
emotional.
whole
I think
cycle.
that
It
is
is
way
nasty.
bitchier. Like,
We are, but
bro,
we're
genuinely, I
definitely
feel like
worse.
there are like we guys. I genuinely don't think we guys are like this. Like I feel like if Ayana has a problem with me, she won't be fake. This is what I think. She'll come up to me.
Yeah. I'm not
saying
and
that
she'll
Listen,
say
you all
to
say
me.
that, but when you guys are pissed off with each
No,
other,
she is
Untrue.
it's very.
Something just happened recently. Manya was being a bit off, whatever.
Yeah,
I was
like
speaking to her,
it's-
and I literally just told her that. And I was like, listen, if you're mad about this, like, tell me right now. Like, I'll, like, you know, go and I'll, like, explain it to you and we'll sort it out.
They're like
Straight
people. You
up.
either say
It depends on
or
the
other
person.
people. The other people say, "Oh, you've done something. Just figure it out and let me know." Just
Oh.
that is
No,
stupid.
but there are some
like,
people who will literally like plan like I've experienced this where they'll plan an entire like thing to take you down. Like I've had
Yeah.
friends
How
who were
free are
fake
you in life to do that?
exactly. Like I personally as a
I've
friend
done
would
that.
never do this. For 2 months, those two girls
Not that
planned a whole downfall thing for me. Literally.
but I know when women are angry and hurt, I think they go mad because
Yeah,
when
because we're, it's
No,
just,
but you
it's
know-
all
no,
back to
sometimes it's just
emotions,
to be
no?
big.
yeah, it is.
No, and also I feel like a lot
have
of
you
girls.
Ananda, have you ever
No,
been,
I'm
done
saying
that?
everyone's
Everyone's talking over each other. You know
okay,
what
it's
Ananda
not
said
allowed.
about girls first being fake, then you know doing drama and whatever.
It's a process.
I've seen guys do that as well.
No, we don't do
Yes,
that.
I have seen guys
I
do
don't know
that.
that.
There are stages. You can't.
You
see
shouldn't
so
plan
many
revenge.
Guys. No, but they'll act like
You know,
bitchy.
there was a very good friend of mine.
Yeah.
He's one of my, even today, one of my closest friends who had a very bad fallout with a few years ago. And I didn't speak to, she was a female. I didn't speak to her for 3-4 years. Yeah, and, so funny.
What?
But, yeah,
Ooh,
one
I
of my
didn't know
very
this.
close friends. And I didn't speak to her for 4 years straight. I did
When?
not.
Oh yeah, you
Yeah,
did.
I
रुक जा,
remember
बताने तो
this.
दे
I used to
कहानी.
speak to her every day.
Ari, I'll tell you what is about Shawn Mendes or something.
It was,
did she
I
say?
thought it was about Shawn
Do you
Mendes. But
remember?
not Shawn Mendes, Harry Styles.
Okay. So
But it
Oh
was.
my god, she's in love with Harry Styles.
I know, but I said something
What
about Harry
else? I
Styles.
don't think so.
I don't
No,
know.
whatever it is, it was not predominantly about Harry Styles. She said I said
Wait,
other things
what?
also.
When were the 3 years? First, tell me that.
Lockdown. And
Yeah, I
anyways,
remember this.
I was not very. I said other things also, and I was not very nice. But I realized
I don't think you were nice at all.
I was not
back
nice at all. I was
then.
a very bad
Yeah.
human being. But I think when
He
I
used to bully
realized that what I said was very wrong, and even she said very rude things to me. I didn't go on to this revenge thing. I just said, I want you to be happy, but I don't think I want to talk to you anymore. And I had one eardrop coming out of my hand. I was like, that's it. I'm never speaking to her again. And I never spoke to her for 3 years straight.
Do you think what you
3
did was because of
years?
a valid
Yeah,
reason?
I don't think I remember a
But
moment
now
when
do
you
you
guys
think
weren't
what you
friends.
did was because of a valid reason?
No, it was so stupid.
Okay.
But then
But I think it was also because you
Priyanshu,
were,
that's
like,
childish
childish
back
immature
then,
now.
yeah.
You were like 14 years old.
Yeah.
No, but it's also that I've had fights with I've never touched wood with the grace of God. I have great friends. Like if I didn't have friends, I don't know what I would do in life. Not you, but in general, no, you too. But in general, like I think my boys are one of my I think they keep me sane. They are a very good balance to my life, and I think that I've never fought with them, but I've had one of my closest friends. I fight with them every day. Every day,
Yeah.
like his mother says you're like his second wife. His first wife, that was the girlfriend is gone, so I'm the first wife. But I think boys fight every day, and even I went on a holiday recently with him, and I fought with him for like we were about to physically hit each other. It was like that. We were like full on.
I feel like you guys do that with everything.
We do it
No, no,
every
no.
day. Every day.
No, and I was about to physically, and we have very different political ideologies.
Oh God.
So we were
don't
fighting
start.
about it,
Yeah.
and we got very aggressive in the middle of a political conversation. And cut to half an hour later, the other two friends are making jokes on both of us, and we both have gone to sleep in the same room. And he's telling me before going to sleep, can you tell me some good stories? I'm a little scared.
Seriously.
Later.
Okay, why do you think Ananda and I, recently, last week?
Yeah,
this
last weekend we didn't go.
We literally started our period and we did not come out. Why do you think? The first day, no one
The
leaves
stomach
the
was
house.
cramping, I'm assuming.
We didn't even go out on the weekend. And
Bro, stomach
we never
cramping-
don't go out on the weekend.
Stomach cramping is something we're so used to. There are medicines for it, but
You
our
have
skin
Nephthol
was
pads for
shedding.
that.
Our
Yeah,
skin
we
was
do.
shedding.
What?
Like
to
while
what?
we were
Yes.
applying the makeup, we had to
You
remove
see
it because our skin started
exactly,
shedding.
and then you have to
You
take it
can't
off.
put makeup
Yeah.
on as soon as it
No,
shed.
no.
You have to wait for a bit before you reapply the makeup.
One minute. Your skin physically comes out.
Yes.
Only on the face.
Not the
Only on
hands,
the
just the
face.
face.
Your skin face comes out.
Yes.
Yes.
Like a snake.
Yes.
Yeah.
Why do you
We
think
get
our
a new
is
skin
so
every
nice?
month.
Every month.
You guys are such lying, na.
We're not.
How is that
One
possible?
second.
How do you know
Biggest
this?
proof. Why do we not come out the first day when we get our period? then?
You
Why
went to
does
school.
no girl come? No. When did
No.
we ever-
How do you know when our first day is? And
Exactly.
And did you know all of our cycles are literally synced?
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
like Bluetooth.
that's
Bluetooth
yeah.
syncing.
On God, this
There
is not a joke.
Like
Yeah.
if I hang out with her too much,
Too much,
it's gonna sink.
Yeah.
It syncs.
It's a fact.
I mean, I've seen Modern Family, so I have an idea of I've seen one episode where they spoke about how women in the same house.
Yeah.
and
if you
yeah. hang
the
out
more
also
time
too
you
much.
spend, you
Yeah.
sink.
Literally, all of us are synced.
So
I'm not
in
joking.
university, if I'm with someone, our cycles are synced.
How
Same
is that
day.
physically possible?
It takes
It does
it
that.
takes
Same way
like
our
a
skin
month or
sheds.
so, but eventually it gets synced because everyone also
Okay,
everyone
syncing,
has
I get it
different
also.
days.
Ayana Kapoor, skin shedding.
Yeah.
Skin shedding, one
Like,
second, skin shedding is more believable than Bluetooth syncing.
this needs to be talked about more. How do
So
you?
your face ka skin comes out.
Yes.
in our
You have
geography
to
classes.
peel it off and it hurts, bro.
In our geography class, we used to put Fevicol in our hands and then peel it off
Yeah,
skin.
we're
you know how okay, one second.
Exactly. It looks like that also.
Oh God.
Our
I've-
entire face doesn't come off. It's like some skin is coming
It's like
off.
okay,
right?
suppose
Peel it off.
you go waxing and you remove your hair regrows the same way our
Yeah,
skin
skin
regrows.
regrows.
Why do you
Peels
think our
off
skin
and
is
it
Do you
glowing?
know on the bottom of our feet when that वो छिलके निकलते हैं skin
Yeah,
के?
sometimes
You know what I'm
like
talking
You're
about?
like you're
when you
yeah.
get
It's
hurt
like
and some
that,
skin
but
is
on
But on
coming
the
out.
entire
Yeah.
face.
Yeah.
And
But
then
you
the
take a
skin
soap stone or
regrows.
something and
You can't do that on your face.
On your
The
face,
face
your
is really
face will get
sensitive.
We
ruined.
literally have to
Exactly.
wait. It only
So why
happens
does that
on the
not-
first day,
First
and that
day.
also at night.
So your entire face ka skin comes out.
Yes.
You just take it off in
Like a
one
face
moment, and if
mask.
it breaks,
Yes.
then
It
This
takes
is
like
trippy,
it takes
bro.
an hour to get
Yeah,
off.
it does. It hurts.
Bro,
That's
it's
crazy.
like painful.
And wait, what? Wait. It's been 19 years on Earth and I haven't known this for
That's
no one
really
talks about
shameful.
it.
You
I feel
should
like it's
know.
just you.
they
Everybody
never
else knows.
taught. I don't think any of my male
Everybody
friends know
knows.
that women's
Because
skin
it's-
comes off their
because-
faces.
But did they really talk about every single side effect of when a woman is on her menstrual cycle? No one talks about every single side effect, no?
I thought we did. We were taught how to be.
You were taught how to
Polite,
be
what?
polite. You weren't taught.
No, we
like,
were
every
taught that
single
these are the
that
things.
happened.
I think we were taught very well that, you know, this is what happens. These are the changes that goes. Why does it happen? I didn't know your skin comes off here.
Yeah, it's really painful.
Because now people are talking about it. That's
Does it happen to Ben as well?
Do you get your
No.
period?
No.
Then
So
Get that
then,
period.
What's that?
Dude, period.
Dude period. I feel like you all actually
you all,
have like
yeah, you
a
do.
period in the month where you guys are so sassy. You can be a girl.
Exactly.
Like,
you have so many
honestly.
mood swings.
So that's
Like you
not,
gen-
That's a
natural.
period,
Yeah,
like
that's
girls.
normal.
Yeah, so you guys have your periods. You know?
Yeah.
You just you
There's a
want
term
talk
for
about
it.
Yeah.
period.
this is the first time I'm hearing
Only
it.
girls.
No, I
have
heard
this.
it. Even I heard it like a few days ago
Yeah.
only. But like, I
What is it called
That's
again?
also
period.
Period.
Period. Like you know,
period.
like how our skin has started shedding and we're talking about it. People are talking about periods now.
Yeah.
It's like when
Wow.
a guy
And the
is just
skin
like
shedding thing, I think everyone started talking about it like last year. It's
Last
been a
year,
while
yeah.
since like the girls started like talking about
Yeah,
it.
the
I
girls
think
are like finally
openly.
Opening up.
Yeah.
And it
Now
hurts.
you know a fact.
Of course it
painful,
hurts. Your
bro.
skin is coming
Imagine,
up.
like,
When you
peeling your
get
skin
hurt
off.
and you like peel your skin or do something, it's
And
on your
there's like,
face.
is there like underdeveloped or like raw skin under this?
that
thing?
can happen.
Like red.
That's like
It's like when you get hurt and there's new skin coming, it's a
Yes.
little red, light red.
Yeah, but it
Yeah,
only
but, like,
peels
for
off when the
girls-
new skin is formed already. That's when
That's
it's
why
like,
it
sometimes,
sheds.
sometimes it can happen. Like,
Yeah.
like a patch
Really
is like-
sensitive skin.
I
So
don't want to
it's
sound insensitive. That's a little snaky. I thought it only happens to reptiles.
I'm offended.
I mean,
Bro,
my God.
I
mean,
think we should like
that's
finish the podcast right now and get a new host.
this. I mean,
Yeah.
that's a like new revelation for me.
So now when you get a girlfriend, are you gonna go and you're gonna support her through
No,
skin
I want to see
shedding?
you. Show me how it looks.
Are you gonna support her through a skin shedding?
Yeah, I want
You
to see.
should. It's really important.
But I really want to see.
Help her peel it off next time.
Yeah.
They got.
Mission for you to get a girlfriend now. So
If
you
you
can
do
peel
that,
it
she's
off.
gonna break up with you instantly.
No, but I just want to see what it looks
Just
like.
sit and watch and get her like you know.
Take her
like,
skin off her
Get
face.
her, like,
no,
Oh
what?
God.
like expensive skincare. So she
Yeah.
can take care.
That's why you guys spend so much money buying
On
skincare.
Exactly. Now you get
Bro,
it.
and like there's this new thing I think that came. It's like this thing to help you like peel it off, but I don't think people have really tried it out
No,
yet. Like
no,
I'm
not
even
at
I'm
all.
tried it out. But I saw it somewhere. Like
Yeah.
you know, it comes on those like Insta ads, like the peeler.
No, I know women have a lot. I've seen that reel where a woman has like white powder on her face, so her face
No, you
hair
use
shows.
a collagen mask for like you know like helping with
Yeah.
the skin regrowth. But like
What
it's-
did people
it's
back
too
in the day do
painful.
when they didn't have any of this, like your
Bro, it
grandmothers?
was
Nothing.
so
No,
painful.
Nothing,
It peels
just
off without anything. Also, it's just we get extra stuff now, like to take care of it.
And also for it to be less painful. The grandparents, imagine your dadi, what
Doing
pain she
it.
would have to go through.
I mean,
There was no pollution back then. I'm sure that your new skin
Yeah,
wasn't
yeah,
okay, just to
sensitized.
let you know, I'm messing with you. There's no such thing as skin shedding. And you've been. Yeah,
Oh my God, I
fully-
genuinely thought कि तुम लोग सब साफ
Did
हो.
you
That's
actually
not a
buy it?
thing.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's
it's a
not a
trend.
thing.
It's a trend.
No, I'm not joking.
It's a trend on Insta. People are doing it. The girlfriend's like, it's like, guys, I'm gonna shed my skin. It's my first
Yeah,
day of
it's
my
like a
period. I'm
full-on
doing
trend,
it.
like-
And the
I
guy,
just thought my entire idea of human anatomy is
no,
gone
the guy's
down
just
the
standing
drain.
there. He had the same reactions. You're like, what is she doing?
Yeah,
I don't
he's
know.
Probably
Did you plan this?
No,
No,
it
we
literally
didn't.
just happened.
Why are you laughing?
She was in it.
She was on it.
All the girls play along. It's like
Yeah.
Scary man.
Yeah.
I तो got
This is
so
girl code.
scared. I thought तुम सब साफ हो.
No.
Bro, I feel like we guys lie so much for each
You guys,
other.
you lie.
He
You
was
can't-
gaslighting you.
I feel we lie really well.
You, bhai, you are the best.
Ananda,
at it.
you
Professional gaslighters. Like
Gaslighters.
actual.
You mean
And
are
we all
brilliant
support each
gaslighters.
Yeah.
other. Like,
Yeah.
bro, Ananda will come up with some random lie and all of us will just go
Believe
along
I have
with
like
it.
the best
No, we'll go
straight
along with
poker
it. Just,
face.
like sometimes we fall for it, but sometimes when it's too obvious, we'll just
Yeah,
go
we
along with it.
I still
Yeah.
can't
Because
get
you
over the
can't be
skin
bothered
part.
to hug you.
Yeah.
But you know, you guys are genuinely like about gaslighting. Women are such masters at gaslighting. You're like, it's your.
It's because you guys are so manipulative.
I
and
know a
like,
lot of
We
men.
are not manipulative as
You
simple
guys
beings.
are.
Yes,
We
you are.
gaslight
I
and
know
you
a lot of
manipulate.
men
That's the
also
thing.
who are amazing gaslighters.
Gaslighters.
Give the men.
Yeah, yeah.
No, I think even as mothers and like family, like females in your life, like mothers and sisters, you guys are amazing gaslighters. Like, have
We
you ever
need that
tried?
But I don't
I think
it's
mothers are
gaslighting.
insane gaslighters.
I
by
don't
the
think
way.
it's gaslighting. I think it's more just
Like every time you tell them, you're like,
emotional.
"हाँ मुझे ही बोलो. I've been doing everything for so
That's
many
emotional.
years."
That's
That's
emotional
emotional
blackmail.
blackmail.
Yeah,
That's
that's
not
different.
That's
gaslighting.
different.
No, but I
Gaslighting
like
is
They're not lying.
yeah,
they're
gaslighting
not
is
lying.
something is untrue and you keep on like trying to make the other person believe it to the point where they end up believing it. Like that's gaslighting.
I feel
Like
like
you
our
know,
generation is
But I
too
think like
good at
mothers
it.
refuse to accept that they've made a mistake, so they're like, fights every time. Yes,
but
everything is
that's
my fault.
emotional
But that's
blackmail.
emotional
That's not the
blackmail, that's
same
different.
thing.
That kind of
I think
frustration.
men are better at gaslighting.
No, but I feel like we guys.
I
are
think we're very
also- I
simple.
personally
want-
am a
it's like, I'll
great
tell you,
gaslighter
with-
and manipulator.
With women, like
Manya.
when you want
Honestly.
something, you will not like they don't tell us directly what they want. Like men, if I
That's
want to
not
go out,
gaslighting.
I'm like I want to go out today. Is that simple?
That's again
That's
the
not
whole
gas-
emotional.
No,
Yeah.
I'll give you. I'll give
Khichdi
you.
out of it, bro.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's because
Priyanshu.
you're emotional now, Priyanshu.
Exactly.
I'll give you
We
an
can't give
example.
straightforward answers.
Okay, so someone asks me to like, do you want food? I'll order food for you.
Your
I'll be
choice.
like, no. I'll be like, no, I'm not hungry. Then he'll be like, no, do you want food? I'll be like, it's your choice. If you want to order, you don't order. Like, then he's like, okay, will you eat it? I'm like, no. Then he's like, okay, then I won't order for you. Then I'll get pissed off. Then he'll have it because he has to
Yeah.
order it on his own will. Like, I'm not gonna ask you.
I would be
Yeah.
starving but not ask for
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
Are you mad? Like
Yeah.
Bhagwan hai, sapna aayega. I mean,
No, I'm too good at
Sense it. We
manipulating.
can sense
I'm
what you're trying to
actually
say.
a master manipulator. I can manipulate anyone. I'm not joking.
Hey Bhagwan.
I'm too
I
good
think
at
at this point, because I've been dating this guy for like 2 years, I think by now he's like understood, and it took him like at least a year to understand it. But I think now he knows, like, and he like, I don't have to directly say anything. He'll just do it. You have to train your men.
Yeah, for
Yeah,
sure.
Like
you
it's a
do.
thing. You have to
For
train
sure.
men. They're actually like pets that
They're
you have to
like
literally
doggies.
train.
How mean?
Yeah,
No,
even
it's
now,
not
like,
in a bad way.
You're gonna
you're
struggle a
saying
lot.
2 years.
I've been
You
lost there, I
feel
think.
like now after so long, this drama will still happen. But then when I say no, he'll end up ordering it because he
Ordering.
knows
So why
that I'm
can't you
hungry.
just say yes? I want to eat
Because
pizza.
why should I?
Why?
The guy
Like,
should understand himself. Yeah.
Like I had my friend over last night for dinner, and I said, "Are you hungry?" He's like, "Yeah." I said, "What should I order?" Pizza. Simple.
But you have to.
Just
the
say
guy
you
has
want
to take
food.
the initiative.
Like I asked Diana, she's hungry. She said, "Yeah, I ordered food." But if it's a guy,
If
no,
she
I'm
was
not.
Rahul, I would have
hungry.
said no.
No.
But no,
Yeah.
what do you want to eat? But I
Yeah.
don't eat this.
Can't
It's
the
your
BS get to
decision.
the job, yeah? Who
No,
is-
no, no, Ayana, but I think it's like with friends, you guys are
Friends
fine.
is
Like, if
still
it's
okay.
anyone, I'll be
Yeah.
like, I'm hungry, get me food, like, now.
Now.
But, like, if
Yeah.
it's him, I'll be like, I'll be like, no, I don't know what I want to eat. It's because it should be your own, like, thought. Like,
Yeah,
you should
you
be
have to be
thinking
like-
for
So
me.
okay, if he orders, like imagine if,
Anything, I'll be fine with it. It's just like, order it.
And
without
then if he
asking
ends
you.
up ordering
Yeah.
the wrong thing, then also I'll be pissed.
I don't get pissed at that. I'm just like, okay, thank you for whatever.
So yeah,
Whatever's
obviously,
your
if you're
thought.
allergic to something and he
Right.
orders that, that's stupid. But imagine you're craving pizza, but he orders you Chinese.
But like at this point, because it's been 2 years, he knows that like I hate Mexican food. I would never eat Mexican food.
No, he won't
he
order
knows
you
what I
some
like.
extremes.
So it's like very like.
No, but I'm
general
assuming you
now.
like
There
you
are
like
ways.
Chinese?
There are ways of
You like
asking
your
as well.
pizzas and your burgers.
Yeah.
So if you're craving a pizza, but he orders your burger, would you get mad?
No.
Yeah, that's fine.
It's like if he orders me Mexican food, I'm like, do you like not even know me at all? And then I would be like mad. I'm like, how
Priyanshu,
can
it's the
you
way
not
of
know?
saying it. Like, if I'm hungry and I want him to order me food, I'll be like, bro, I'm so hungry. I've been craving a pizza. So
Why would you call your
it's
boyfriend
like,
bro,
it's a way
first
of
of all?
saying it. Huh?
Why would you call your boyfriend bro,
I
first
to
of all?
call
Even
him.
I do.
Bro
everyone
doesn't
does.
actually mean bro.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Weird,
it
but
just
okay.
it's
It
a
doesn't
way of
mean
calling
bro.
And
someone.
also sometimes he'll just like randomly order me food. Like I'll be like, I like didn't like eat dinner or something. I'm not even hungry, but like it's the thought, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like he'll just order me food like
Mind
randomly.
games खेलने के अलावा और कुछ काम नहीं है तुम लोग को?
Nahi, literally,
Bro,
that's
it's
what we do.
natural, so we don't.
You know,
need to
this
put
is
in a
the
lot of
bare
thought.
minimum of mind games. There are like bad mind games also.
We are simple beings. Just tell us what you want to eat. We'll do it.
If you try to do this, it would probably take you like a lot of effort to
lot
like
of effort.
navigate how to like get the other person
Strategize
to get
and all.
into this.
It's
yeah,
gonna
you
take
have
you
to-
time,
For us, it's
Priyanshu.
like we're not even trying. It just happens.
Yeah.
No, so but why?
What do you mean why? We're not doing it to make your life difficult. We're just
It's
doing
for
it to
our
make
own
us happy.
self-respect.
You're happy when the other person's like confused out of his mind.
that's
Like
the
it happens,
point.
and I don't think it's just with your partner. I think it's with all female relations. Like I face this very often with all female relations in my life. Be it your mother, be it your sister, be it your relatives, the female ones. You just don't know what they want because you're like, imagine you go to a restaurant and you're like, what do you want to eat? You tell me. Then you order this. No, I don't have this.
Yeah, like my sister does this. I was going downstairs one day to get food to the kitchen, and this was like late at night, and she's like, oh, get me also something. And I was like, what do you want? She's like,
Get
whatever
anything.
you find, like something that like looks good, something that I would want to eat. I'm like, how do I know what you want to eat? Like, you have to give me some sort of hint. And then I was like, OMG, like this is what I do to other people. And I was like, it's fine, like I'll still do it.
But we don't understand these things.
There's a way of understanding also.
Bro, it's the
You'll
beauty
take time.
of our like way of getting happiness. Like it just gives us like a
Yeah.
lot of pride. Like
I will to die. I'll get so confused. I'm like, what the
See,
hell
we're
do I
not
do?
telling you to buy something like really like expensive. This is
So
a
if we
bare
do it-
minimum. We're like simple thing making us happy.
Like Rahul buys me like a 20 rupee like
Flower.
Cadbury, and I'm
Yeah.
craving it at the moment. I'll still
It's
be
the
as
thought.
happy if he gets me like the most expensive thing in the world. Like I don't know how to
so-
explain
It's a thought
it.
that matters.
So
Yeah.
for you, it's like you just need to do it before I say it.
Yeah, it's kind of
Yeah.
like that.
So I don't have to say it. You should.
or like do like the small
Just because-
gestures
Small
you know we
gestures.
like.
Because
like,
it looks like then you care.
All I want in
Yeah.
life is food and flowers. Like if I don't want
Yeah.
anything else. You get me that at your own free will. I'm like the most happiest person ever. Get me 2 flowers, I'll be happy.
Yeah.
But like at least do it. Like just do it.
It's about initiative, Priyanshu. This is why you don't have a girlfriend.
No, I'm not wasting money like this. I'll tell
On the
Paytm it to
Cadbury,
you.
you're not
money
gonna
when
waste
I'm asking
money.
you to like
If you
go
love someone,
psycho.
you
No,
do
but
it.
okay,
It's
so
not even about like when I say like Rahul ordering the food, I don't mean that he's paying for all of it. Like when we're in uni, obviously both of us are on a budget, and if like he's ordering, I'm ordering, or we're splitting, regardless. Like he's always the one who's on the phone, like getting the food. You know what I
So
mean?
you just
He has to
wanted
pick
to-
the item.
So the fact that the person does it before you say it makes you
Yeah.
feel loved because he cares.
Yes, that's
They
it.
take all the
Yeah,
responsibility.
exactly.
Personally, for me, it's taking all the responsibility. Like I don't,
Yeah.
I shut off my brain.
Oh, so you're
We
like, I'm
like-
already pissed off with life. I don't want more
no,
work
no,
to
no,
do.
Have you seen that
It's
meme?
also-
like with
yeah.
girlfriends, like imagine their boyfriend has ChatGPT and Google and like Google Maps and like Zomato
You don't
and
like.
everything.
I've noticed in women, you don't like being asked questions. Ki, what should I do? You're like, figure it
Yeah.
out yourself. Don't ask me questions.
We like being babied sometimes.
And
Like,
not
we
ask
don't like being
questions.
told what to do.
Yeah.
But like, if we're not using our brains, use it for like most of the times. I don't think any of us want to use our brains.
But do
if
women
we're-
like being asked questions? Like, acha, ye kaise karoon?
No.
kaise
I'm
karoon?
okay with like
Yeah, it's
questions. I
not
like.
But you got annoyed, Ayana.
Ayana,
With me,
shut
you got
up.
annoyed.
I
You're
get
like, why are you asking
overstimulated
so many
because
questions?
you guys are so. Ek to, you are so very loud, okay? And a lot of people are just they say too many things and they do too many things, and I get overstimulated
Ayana,
and I'm
with
bound to get
Rahul,
annoyed.
don't lie. He asks her any question, she'll get like, "What? How dare you ask me? How dare you? Like, what is wrong?"
Yeah,
with
but
you?
that's
What gave you
because
the guts to ask
in
me
our
this?
dynamic, I just expect him to know everything
Yeah,
and also
exactly,
solve my
that's
problems
what,
at the
that's
same
what,
time.
That's what.
It's how women are wired. I don't know how to explain it.
No, I get it. I see a lot of that happening around me. Luckily, just not with me. Thank God right now. I would have gone mad.
Shut up.
It's a
All you
crash
want-
course for when you have your first
Yeah.
girlfriend. You can think back and then you can use all of our advice.
He's looking so confused.
I'm so
right now.
scared,
Yeah.
not confused. मैं arrange marriage ही था. मेरे को नहीं चाहिए ये सब.
She's also going to be like this only.
Yeah, you
Sannyasi.
want her to stay or no? She
Love
wants to run
marriage,
away
arranged
then.
marriage doesn't matter. She's going to be the exact same way.
You have to show them that you love them. Like even
Yeah.
with small
No, of course
gestures.
of course, but oh, okay.
Priyanshu, do you want a love marriage or an arranged marriage?
I don't want to get married. I love a love
You
relationship.
tell
maybe.
people get
don't
Actually, I
married
want to get
every
married.
second.
Shut
I want to
up,
get
you
married.
only
I want to get
You
married.
only
I do
want to
want to
get
get married.
married.
I do want to get married, but I find the whole concept of arranged marriage very ridiculous.
Really?
But you can
I
fall in
disagree.
love through an arranged
Through an
marriage.
arranged marriage.
Yeah, people used to do that back in the day.
Why can't you
it
do it
still
now?
happens now.
Yeah, it does.
I just find the whole idea of someone else finding you your partner for the rest of your life. I
But
think
it's like getting
It's
set
like,
up.
I
yeah,
think I
it's
was-
like getting
I
set
saw
up.
a reel.
It's like a friend helping another
You
friend
don't get
get
married
I
after
saw a
meeting
reel.
the
I
person
think
for a
I
day.
think Javed Akhtar said this yesterday. I saw a reel where he said, "अगर आप एक certain age तक you can't find your own love, your the person you love, then you're not supposed to get married.
See, how do you
Get
find
married
a
if you can
girlfriend?
find the person
You
person
never
you
know
love.
when you're going to meet the person for you. You can
Yeah.
click with anyone at any age. And if you're not able to do it yourself, if you get some help, I don't think there's any
Like if
problem.
friends
then
says
you
you
know,
get
I
your
come with the
girlfriend.
idea
I feel
where
like if your family is helping you find someone,
Yeah.
it's going to be someone like probably from the same background, has some like
same community, same
community,
caste,
same
all that
type
BS.
Of like no, not caste. I'm not wrong. Like
No, no,
maybe
people in
same
Delhi do that.
mindset, same type of like age group. Obviously, so there will be like they're not going to get someone completely random.
Like if your
Yeah.
friends can help you find like a girl to
girlfriend.
date, why can't your family?
It's same thing as setting you up.
And that's
like,
better because they're your family.
Yeah.
And they'll do like a
There are
whole
different
background
ways.
check.
So तुम दोनों के I'll tell both your moms to find you good boys now.
I don't think arranged
She's a
marriage is
villain.
that.
She's villain also.
I just think the issue before was that they used to look at it as a you have to get married and then you have to have kids sort of way, you know, like that's why arranged marriage was such a huge concept
Because they
back
were
in
not
the
given
day.
the option. They were like arranged
Yeah.
marriage for finding it.
Because-
Here you have two options. Either you find yourself or you do arranged marriage. It's like a friend setting you up with a girl. She becomes your girlfriend. Or in an arranged marriage, you're getting set up with someone. Your family has seen the background and everything. Then you talk to that person. You don't get married to that person the next day.
Exactly.
You talk to them. You figure it out. And that's
If it doesn't
how
work out, you
happens.
don't have to get
Yeah,
married to them.
exactly.
At least that's not what happens.
That's why there's a
now.
list of people you
I-
meet.
It's like
I-
arranged but then falling in
Before,
love.
like you didn't over then it was like horrible and it was like
You don't see the
taboo
person.
to like have
you
a
just,
kid
When you get
without
told
getting
something-
married, right?
Yeah,
That was the
yeah.
main purpose of getting married is
Yeah.
to have kids and continue the family. I think now that's fully changed. A lot of people also in this day and age don't want kids and their families are okay with that, which is why now I think arranged marriage is sort of like how Twisha and Andy were saying that it was just
It exists,
setting
but-
up. It's just helping you, you know, meet people and see who you like. You might end up liking them, you might not. No one has like literal reins on you saying that you have to
But
marry this
I come
person.
from the idea where I believe that I should at least be dating the person for 5-6 years before I marry the person.
5-6 years.
5-6
6
years
years
is a lot.
That's
It's
a lot.
That's
It's a
minimum.
lot.
No,
No,
that's
You
that's
want
way
to spend
too
50 years with the person, 5-6 years you have to.
If you wanna see- yeah, you have to start now.
25,
Priyanshu, once you get
married at
35.
30.
You better
Once
start
you
now.
get into it, you'll start understanding it like more.
If I can't bear that woman for 2 years, how do I plan to bear her for 50?
don't.
But you know, when you're with someone at that age, the age where you're around like getting married like 25 to 30, like you kind of know what you're looking for and the qualities you're looking for. And I don't think it
25,
takes,
you're a child,
I
like
don't
that.
think it takes
But
5 to
still.
6 years to deem a person like, okay, this is the person who I'm going to marry or not marry. It
If
doesn't
you've
take
stayed
5-6
yeah.
years to figure that out.
If you've stayed with that person for 5-6 years, you can handle them.
So like 2 years of marriage, and I really come from the idea of staying with the person. So 3 years of staying with the person, and then probably marrying the person. I
3 years of dating.
3 years of
Of
dating
li-
and 2
or
years of
living
living
together.
together, and then
Okay.
or maybe 2 years of dating and 3 years living together. But I think living with the person before you get
Yeah,
married is
living-
very important.
agree
Living
with
changes
this.
the
But I
point
don't
of view.
Living
You share a pot with a boy,
the
and then you see it's horrible.
I think
we have
living
different
with
But
the
I
habits.
feel like the
person to some
concept of a
extent
live-in is like not
important.
so comfortable.
Well, I think we've
Not
changed the
with, like,
society now.
But it's not everyone. It's again you're just
Yeah,
talking
obviously
about
a
our
very
bubble.
small percentage of society, but I think it's a brilliant idea. It's like before you buy a big car, you try the
Test
car,
drive.
test drive karke dekhte ho.
Yeah.
Before you plan to marry this person, and I come from the idea that marriage is forever. So if it is forever, so that you should at least. If it's not, then too bad. I mean, find someone else. But if you don't end up with that person when you're in your 80s and 90s, when you're dying, and that person's not next to you, and that's a different person from the person you got married, then the person you got married to was not the person. So the person your life ends with is the right person for you.
But
whichever
you
stage of
don't
life
realize
comes in.
that a lot of people look at marriage as like a financial transaction, literally.
Okay, I wanted to ask, why are you all? Do you plan what you're going to wear? Why are you all wearing black?
It's a Delhi
it's just
stand.
the
It's a
thing.
norm that everyone.
When
will
you know
do.
you're confused, also black is the safest option.
Yeah.
So I wear black when I want to look thinner.
I don't think
That's
I think
also a
black
thing.
looks good with everything.
Yeah, it
That's
does.
what
it's
I
good
was
with
saying.
like it's.
But I think
so-
Ayana was
Like if
telling
you were
me-
wearing black right now, it would look good.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
No, I'm saying this also looks good. But if you were to wear any other color, black would.
No, I wear black when I go out, I realize, but this is very comfortable. So
I wear
I've
black
t-shirt.
everywhere.
Yeah, same.
Yeah, same.
Majority of my
But
clothes
Ayana
are
Kapoor
black.
was telling me that day that black attracts negativity and all
It
that.
does.
It
I've
does.
been told this, and
Yeah.
it does. I just
Black-
choose not to let it
Affect
affect me.
you.
Ayana, I've heard black attracts insects.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah,
It
it
does.
does.
It
It
does.
does.
Exactly, it does.
It does.
Mosquitoes and all, it
Not
does.
black. Yellow attracts. I know for a fact attracts insects. I
No, no.
don't know about black, but I know
Black
that yellow
attracts
does.
Black,
insects.
black does.
It
I know
doesn't.
that.
You're like
Mosquitoes.
blending with the background. You're not there.
So it might be a
In
worse
yellow,
thing.
all the people in yellow house in our school used to have like this swarm of like flies off their head every time they went to the field, and that's how I figured it out that yellow attracts insects, and everyone in all the other houses were fine. There was like a swarm.
It was the day. I think black attracts mosquitoes. Yeah.
Mosquitoes are fine.
Who
That's
cares?
okay.
No, but that reminds me. Where is your that witch?
My
Labubu?
Labubu.
Yeah.
You should have
had
got
to
it.
take it.
How much is that doll for?
I actually don't know. You tell.
That was a gift. But I think it's like, it's easily available now. But like, I saw one when I was with my friends abroad. one like this kind of like a showpiece Labubu. I asked her the price. She goes like, yeah, this one's for sale, but there's only one piece. I was like, okay, how much is it for? She goes like 800. I was like, what? She goes,
Rupees?
like, 800 pounds. I was like,
Yes.
what? That's like 95,000 rupees.
Yeah.
For that witch.
Apparently,
Yes.
the demonic, like actually.
Yeah,
like,
yeah,
it's
yeah.
like a thing.
I can't even look at them. I think they're ugly.
It's like, I'm gonna be honest, I don't think that thing is cute at all. It's just that my sister gave it to me. I'm like, okay, I'll add it to my bag. I'm not joking. I went out. Everyone near me spotted it. There were like at least 15 people who came up to me saying, kahan se liya, kahan se liya? And it's so easily available. I don't even know what the
Nowadays,
hype is
yeah.
about.
You know the only thing.
So ugly.
Instagram ads, Labubu.
Now the
Puri
fakes
stock
are out
pe aa gaya hai.
also. You
Yeah.
get the
Fakes for
fakes
that,
one
but why do you
also.
want
There's
that
no
witch?
fake or real in a
Bro,
Labubu.
Yeah, point.
that
Like
demonic,
the-
like there's a thing.
It looks the way the teeth
exactly
are
like
out, bro.
something in the satanic
Yeah,
Bible.
I saw like a person going to like the Master G and getting clothes made for their
yeah,
Labubu.
made
My
for
God,
the
yeah.
Labubu.
There were
I saw
clothes
that.
being made for a doll, and
Yeah.
I saw your story also that you had posted about like the Kipling monkeys, and I was
That
like,
was
oh
so
my
cute.
god.
So
That was
cute.
so
'Cause they have like
nice.
names also.
What the
What
best.
was your monkey called? The blue
I
bag
don't remember the
that was
name.
thrown out of the window?
Bro, they were
Don't bring this up
don't.
again.
No, Kipling
That's so
monkeys
sad.
were actually like
What was
you know,
one
like,
called?
cute.
They were
Alexander.
collective.
Yeah.
Labubus are
Ugly,
like,
yeah.
Genuinely
demonic,
ugly,
like,
yeah.
I don't
please
understand
You know,
Right.
it reminds me of that the Chucky doll.
Bro,
No, but like I don't know why it's made like the whole body and like the fur is all cute, and then the smile
face
is just
is
like
scary with
razor
the
sharp
smile.
teeth.
Make the face, show the face.
Bro, but how do
How? I don't
people?
have like
No,
triangular
do the
teeth.
try, na.
You make
You all
it.
try. I'll look very funny.
You look like it also.
No, you're just smiling.
But my question is, how do people fall for it so fast? Like, how is it that like
Following the trend.
But do you
no.
not use your brain like when you get into fashion? Like what?
No, some
happens?
people just follow the trend. Whatever trend is that we needed. First one to buy it.
But I think
certain
everyone
trends are
does it
nice. Yeah.
honestly.
Certain trends are nice.
Even
You
I
can't
do it. I think
blindly
everyone
follow
does
every
certain
it.
trend.
trends are nice,
Yeah.
but some are just like retarded.
I find trends very
Man.
Please
very
remove that.
tiring.
Very.
I personally find trends very tiring because you're like it keeps changing. So
Constantly
just stick to
following.
things that are going to be
But
useful your entire life, like a shirt and
But a
pant
lot
can
of
never go
people
out.
don't stick to things that are like because they don't want to be outdated.
Like black
you know?
or what like TT is wearing, Ananda's wearing, even Manya's wearing. Even you're wearing very basic things, but like these kind of things are very things you can wear all your life. You're wearing like a
Yeah.
pajama and your black t-shirt.
I can wear this with like a formal pant and just go for a meeting or something. It's
Yeah.
just
So these are very,
Yeah.
very easy things to wear. Why would
Yeah.
you want to make your life sort? Is it because you want people like?
Yeah,
do
just some people
come-
want to present themselves well. Everyone doesn't just want basic t-shirt, pant, roti, dal, and leave the house. You
But
know,
at the
like,
same time, black is basic.
Yes.
it
so-
is.
It is.
But,
You're wearing pajama leggings and a t-shirt and saying basic.
but I'm saying, but I'm chilling at TT's terrace. Like, where am I going right now?
But why would you want to follow trends? Is it because you guys are like people pleasers? Not you guys, but like people.
I too am, but that's not why like I follow trends.
Bro, certain trends are nice, certain trends are not. Like,
Yeah.
I feel like
It's about
going with a
preference,
trend,
no?
if it's something you genuinely like,
Like,
okay, like
yeah.
fair enough. Or like something which can be used for a long time.
For instance, give
but
like an
yeah,
example.
like
Like
Labu, like bro, like maybe a top that you see that's gone, like you know, like that. The
That Zara
thing.
dress that
Or-
everyone
yeah, or
wore,
the
the blue
Zara.
one that everyone wore for months and months and months and
Exactly,
months.
like certain trends are nice, but like stuff like Labubu dolls and all
Yeah,
those
I
are,
think
like,
it's the stupidest shit. to
Insane.
exist.
I think it's just preference.
like maybe
so-
like a shoe that's nice, people will buy it. It's fine. It's your taste. You found something you liked. Like I get
People
it.
just want it because like everybody has
Has
it.
it.
Yeah.
FOMO.
FOMO.
Literally,
Rooted in
FOMO of
FOMO.
Labubu. Yeah, I'm being
It's not
serious. It's
FOMO. I
real.
feel like it's the. No, I was
No, it
literally
is
gonna say, I
FOMO.
feel like
It's
it's the fear
FOMO.
of getting left out.
What is
I was
FOMO?
literally gonna say that.
I
Yeah,
will
it's
not be
FOMO.
surprised if that Labubu doll in the middle of the night wakes up and tries to kill you.
Honestly, it's
Oh, yeah,
supposed to be
Priyanshu, of
demonic.
course.
It's
People want to be with the in crowd. Like everyone wants to do what others are doing, right? It's just normal. It's just how everyone works.
But
It's how
don't you
society
think
works.
your personalities stand out more than?
Yeah, but then
Yeah.
everyone has like.
Why
certain
don't
things
boys?
that are
Why don't
different.
boys follow trends? Do you
Of
think?
course,
Of course they
They
do.
do.
Like-
So many
We
boys
have
have
one singular
Labubus.
man who
No,
doesn't
name
want
any.
anything.
Okay, not don't name, but tell me any guy you know in our group, my friend group, and all of them.
The
who follow
Balmain
trends.
t-shirts, that's the biggest like.
Yeah, the,
all
like
of
the
them.
Yeah.
designer hoodie with the either the logo,
Logo
or
in
just like
front,
the
it's,
name
like,
printed.
bold.
It's
Look
like
very
the
bad.
biggest
It looks very
main
bad.
trend.
That's a trend.
Bro, but like genuinely,
trend.
do you get why people are pressured to like go into like I won't say the name, but there are like a few people in like our circle from school maybe who were different. They used to go with what they wanted to do. Tell me, swear on your life you did not make fun of them.
Okay.
Exactly.
But-
they maybe don't care, but like other people
So
who
people make
do,
fun of me also all
so
the
they
time.
go
They
with the
must
trend.
be.
You know, some people follow trends, it doesn't show on them. Like, it's very subtle. And some people, what you said,
Yeah.
the bold thing, that's disgusting.
Yeah.
There are ways of following trends
And
also.
trend doesn't have to be something that you've seen on Instagram or something. It could
Yeah.
just be something that a lot of people around you are doing. Like the shirts that we were talking about, everyone in Delhi, all the boys wear the same shirt. They all want to buy the same cologne because I mean it's also kind of like tried and tested, like
No,
right?
I feel with colognes, it's like every person has their own body.
False. Everyone
Scent.
buys the same
No,
cologne
no, I
because everyone else has it.
I think when you walk into a room, you should smell different.
Yeah, but they don't, na Priyanshu. You're talking about personal experience.
You want to smell like the same thing.
Broaden the scope.
Maybe you're right then. Smell
I
of
feel like the
same thing.
biggest trend right now amongst our generation, correct me if I'm wrong, is studying abroad.
That's
Like
true.
everybody wants to study abroad. Even people who are like not planning on going
We were
abroad.
talking about this
Everyone
that day.
studies abroad.
We were talking
Yeah,
about
so
this
I
that
have
day.
no, I don't want to like, I want to live in like Delhi or Dubai. Like I
Same.
want to
Ayana to your class and I was like,
I
I'm
still went.
never coming back. First month of UK, she's like,
I'm
no,
But
sorry.
Yeah.
okay,
Yeah.
honestly, most of the people who have gone abroad, they know that they want to come back to Delhi eventually. So it's also kind of like the pressure, the FOMO of like.
It's just not
going
that. It's
abroad.
also the fact
Yeah.
that most of the people we think are going abroad. It's also a very small circle of people who can afford to go out, first of all. And the ones who are going on the basis of merit are not going to come back. And if they come back, they'll come back doing wonderful things in life. But the people who go out, mostly from our social circles, they go out because they want to come back and join their businesses. They're not really going out to do really something big with their life, or it's because they want to come back and join their father's business or whatever.
Yeah, but then they go abroad because they know they're coming back to join their father's
enjoy
business
that
and
time.
enjoy those
Also,
last
Yes.
one
years.
thing, very important thing we're forgetting. I think one of our teachers had mentioned it once, that people in our social circle, I won't say in our school, there are people in different social circles also, they go abroad because they can't study in India. You can't get into university in India
Yeah, you
That's
can't.
because you don't have the brains to do that.
That's true.
Wait,
If you sit to do the CUET or you sit to do the CLAT or
I
maybe
feel
the
like
JEE
going
exam,
abroad is just like the easier way out.
it's the
It is
easiest
the
way
easier
out.
way
It's
out.
like
no,
the
but
expensive
genuinely,
and
like,
easy way out.
when I was applying, like I had gotten into Ashoka and my mom wanted me to go to Ashoka, and honestly probably it would have been a better career decision for me to go to Ashoka, and I know this and I'm self-aware about it, but I went abroad because I knew that I'd always feel like I'm missing out and I'm not with my crowd, and I think it would have just been a very sad 4 years for me, and I probably wouldn't have been able to
But Ashoka
focus
is
on my
also a very South Delhi
education.
crowd.
Exactly,
it's
but
not.
just
No.
It was for the
There's
longest time.
people
But
from
when I'm talking
all
about
over the
Indian
country.
university, I'm predominantly talking about
IIT
public
and all.
universities.
Yes.
Try getting an admission in an IIT or like an LNU
Yeah,
or something.
definitely.
It's really
Yeah.
Very
hard.
hard.
Like even DU,
Yeah.
I don't think any of us will sit and maybe crack the exam.
I
I,
still
know my
think-
friends
I cracked
who have
it.
given 2 years of their lives to get into an Indian university. They have missed on to 2 years of their lives.
Yeah, they have.
So you need to be really hardworking to study in this country.
Yeah.
Then and because in this country also the disadvantage I think is a part of our education system is that it's so competitive. There's no scope for someone.
It's just overpopulation. A lot of people.
Overpopulation.
It is.
Like I remember, like back in the day, I'm sure you've heard this. That with a 62%, you'd be like the topper of your batch.
Yeah, like my
Yeah,
mom got 92.
yeah.
She topped her batch, and I was like 92. Like that's it.
Yeah.
So with every generation it increases. Like my granddad told me
insane.
62% was the top.
Top.
He said because out of the 10,000 kids, only like 100 were educated.
like even a 99 is not enough anymore.
Yeah, you need like a
Cutoffs for universities are more
99.8.
than
That's like the
99.
That
cutoff.
is, yeah.
That's crazy.
With this whole university thing is getting damn boring and I don't want to go back. I want to enjoy my summer break. So on this note, let's end this. And it was really brilliant having the four of you. Thank you for taking out the time and sitting with us. And I know all of you are very hungry. We've ordered pizza. You'll get your food. And thank you for coming and letting us know a little bit of insight into what this generation thinks like. So even my generation, but you guys have a better view to this generation. So thank you so much for coming. And thank you for your insight again.
Thank you.
Bye.
Hey, I'm back. But there's one thing which triggered me in this episode. These are 18, 20-year-olds and they're calling themselves old. What's going on? Like, that's not making me feel good at all, because then I wonder what they call me, right? But it is fascinating what I truly was really fascinating was the kind of conversations this generation can have in a fun way about very, very serious topics. I don't think we discuss relationships or society in this way at all. It was so taboo. But to have conversations like this and not have them being taboo is absolutely refreshing to watch. And things like defining feminism in a new context, because feminism has really been defined differently in generations in the 70s, 80s, 90s, and today the word remains, but the texture, the connotation, what it means is so different. And their ability to just really pass through saying, why are people going and studying abroad? Why is it an exciting thing versus stiff competition in India? So it is amazing that this generation is actually being able to take each piece. Of course, they had different perspectives. It's not like all of them were agreeing on the same thing. There were only one thing that was common in this episode was Priyanshu got a crash course in red flags and green flags, but rest everything was diverse opinions as it should be. On one question I have, is, and this is very consistent with what I'm seeing across. I was in Goa at a nightclub, this was a month back, and it was a big night, some 1,000 people walked in there. 80% were wearing black, and 4 out of 5 people in this show wearing black. There's something about this generation being more black and white in a figurative and literal way than we probably were. We use far more color in both our, I guess, dressing and otherwise. For an unserious generation, they can get into depth and talk some serious shit, right? And that's incredible. This just shows how much they're thinking. So I was blown away by the episode, the conversations, the candor, and I love to watch this, and I will absolutely wait for the next episode. So keep watching Secret Life of Teenagers.